Young Garvey. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Reggae, reggae. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Reggae, reggae. When the system beats you down, 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 only reggae lifts you up. I say play some reggae music, Lord. It brings joy to my soul. Oh, I say strictly reggae music, the most precious thing I know. Oh, reggae, reggae. If you're feeling complete, reggae music speaks volume to your soul. Whether you young or you old, only thing soothing is music, my Lord. Yeah. So when you're feeling seclusive, you should play some reggae music, Lord. It brings joy to my soul. Oh, I say strictly reggae music, the most precious thing I know. Oh, yeah.
So now you hear that. So all the on the outside and the far on the inside. City big up yourself, me I play 3 more songs. Jah Mikey rolling an old family, me I play 3 more songs. And then no sir, that's how we are going to start it from. See?
Can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire, Babylon.
And which son are dead in that tonight?
Can't cool, can't quench.
Dappa, you have used 45 and kill them.
Fire.
You use 45 and kill 2 of them, you know.
Can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire, Babylon get drenched, y'all. Can't cool, can't quench, Ethiopia mature desire.
Justice, what one?
Then how is it you get your food to eat and yet you find it hard to feed another youth that come up at your feet? Then how is it you always a strive and yet you find it hard to show another get your youth up to survive? That's why I think Selassie I will praise. Run the tell fair.
Remember, the more you drink and the better vibes are all.
You know a king or a
so just give the bartender them busy.
Babylon, we the dust brimstone, the one your name.
Yeah, cool, yeah. We're going to play the last song, come here, warm up the vibes and make the fire go burn in here. So any first song that come play the first one, not just forward. And my last song this me a play.
Hey, watch over us. Emperor Selassie, hide them your roads, rugged and steep.
Well, I know it is a... Well, now.
Oi, oi, Selassie, I will take.
Hot fire.
Hey, these are the trumpets.
Terror, turn on some bass and put a bad sound for me.
Watch over us.
Emperor Selassie, hide them your roads.
Rugged and steep. I know it is a must for us to make it home, even through them you're gnashing of teeth. Hey, guide over us. Holy Emmanuel, Isis, Lanis, could have never.
My last one, this me a play now.
It is a must.
Okay, keep
for us
you
to make it home, through them you're gnashing of teeth. These are those who constantly they have been.
Listen, me no want no sound coward and afraid, you know. Eh? Okay, you have to give them the rules. Alright, now say a word. Read him up again. Fire. Jah Mikey sound, the whole family. Bless up on yourself. Ready again.
Hey, watch over us. Emperor Selassie, hide them your roads, rugged and steep.
Well, I know it is a must
for us to make it home, even
I which son are going another casket around your son?
guide over us.
What the waggity movements them through tonight?
This is Lanis, could have never.
I want going night tonight.
I know.
I sit to eat. A Jah Mikey.
Make it home.
What a course in that tonight.
These are those who constantly they have been placing.
Yes.
The rocks on the traps, leaving devil snares laying.
Wow.
And then wish for all of them hate to be falling. Yet in them face the way.
Wait for the bad part of this song.
Feeling high, making it onto my way.
No apology, why I'm on them every day. Hey, hey.
Conspiracy leads the game you play. Now the fall on the knees without my say.
Guide over us.
Holy Emmanuel, I eat and road, rugged and steep.
How you bad so?
You know me not go no further. I know the sound them there. You understand? I'm just the bad selector who has stirred up the war. You know, yeah, I mean, I don't know what dub play, but me's a bad selector. I mean, them call him I am a bad selector. So, Big up all soundman, all selector at the place. All out. Big up on yourself. Agent movements. I see you in the building. Big up on yourself. Fire Kurt, the whole family. Dappa. Yeah, I was sitting there. So many people hear your voice. Come there from about 9 o'clock.
Yeah, man. SSMG. Big up yourself. People, good night. Hey, people, them ready for war? I gotta ask, cause, I've been touring and whoring. And sometimes you go a clash and it get boring. All like people, them who come for say war, say war. Nah, man, I Florida this, Me go all over the world, but me no love nowhere like how me love South Florida. All like people who come for say war, say war.
That sucks.
Yeah, I go tonight.
What is? City to the blood clot bodies.
Yeah. City in the wickedest zone around.
I can't talk for you a bit. Well, I can't say a thing, boss. Sorry. With all respect. Well, Justice, flip that you there out of the casket. We don't need to burn the coffin there. All right, so people, this is how it's going to go tonight. Jah Mikey win the coin toss. He said he wants City E to play first. The first round will be a half hour. And that is the sound them warming up and trying to win the crowd over from early. Second round, 20 minutes each. Third round, 20 minutes each. Fourth round, 15 minutes each. Anybody win 3 rounds straight consecutive, it's a lock-off. If not, after that, we're going tune for tune. You understand, people? Am I plain and simple? If you don't understand, say yes. All right, them understand. You understand? So at 30-30, at the warm-up thing, let me take the time, At 12:50 on the dot, sucks, your time done, win. 120.
Hold on there. That's at the time of the start of my song play, right? All right then, good. Bumbo clot. Ready again. City up on the back of field again. And one more dope me I go make. And show you say I are the bodies. First and foremost, big up to God Almighty. Big up to all of the ladies who are there tonight. Because we say God first and womankind after. You see me I say. Big up to all of the road boys in the place. One of my friends them there. Country boy in the building. Metrics not there. The one of my sound friend them there. Bumbo clot, New Vision in the place. Agent movement in the building. DJ Damian. Bumbo clot, the one of my friend them there. 6-pack in the blood clot building. Original vibes. Later on we go to the rest of the car. Too much on there. You see me I say, right now a war. All who want me kill Jah Mikey one, cuss a blood clot bad word. All right then. Hold on, man. Right now before we move on, I'm going to big up to all of the people that want to there right now, right? When they are with me now, I love that something here. Big up to Father Sonny. You see me I say, you see Father Sonny, I even tell me say, dub plate for play are the most expensive song in your box. Play that. So big up to Father Sonny and all who just leave for on a pink and white Father Sonny, big up myself. You see me I say, big up to Unico. You see me I say, hey, big up to Godfather. You see me I say, that one musical showcase. Yeah, man, I don't know. Set it and make it certain way. Right now, gangster, yo, play that song for all of my friends one there right now.
City it sound, I'm going to say, yo, Joe, stretch, father. I'm going to say, yo,
what's the pitch, the gangster? What's the pitch?
May he rest in peace. I'm going to say, boys, go west. Slice up.
Now, I beg you, SSMG, clear the stage, brother. Please, Anton.
Represent.
All right, brother.
Yeah.
All right, brother.
Whoa, City to big up all the soldiers. Me said the real soldiers. City to big up all the fallen soldiers. We miss you. Although you got me with you. Gone by the back of feet. Life is a fucking real city.
Mr. Jimmy London, take it. Yes, Melo Banton, respect to the max man. Guess what?
What baseline there?
City sound.
We start it now.
You know
I can tell you about my sound. I'm rusting tonight.
City Heat is the sound that slowly grows and grows. Not one that comes and goes. That's the sound that I want to
Gangster, the one you got beat that tonight. Song.
Big sound. A sound is in sorrow, a sound is in pain.
Now why you go bitter?
Enough little sound boys don't know no shame. Na, na, na.
I hear the massive them shouting out City Heat's name.
Yeah.
Perform tonight, gangster.
Ooh.
Tell them from early.
On and on we go. Where we'll end up, no one knows
What it feels like. City Heat is gonna
give you a little sound tonight.
Song.
City Heat.
Professionals at work. Professionals at work. Watch this. I be saying I am in the mood.
The killer sound.
City Heat.
Come on, let's throw one down. Give me the feeling.
Gangster, get to the song.
The feeling. Oh Lord.
A solid sound for you.
Place.
Just it. P-Ride. Let them know. Tonight.
City Heat gonna kill you tonight.
Song.
City Heat sound.
In the hard. Watch out.
Killing the sound is so easy to do.
Song gangster.
Horsemen to the mark, City Heat. You know you run it every time. We say no apology. Blazing City Heat.
The last stop me make you end it there.
Wow.
We know the clash went born for you, man. Tell him.
I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Soundboy City Heat just wanted to do that. Look at it.
When we kill Chronic Supreme,
He's
he
got-
will move like double agent into the dance. Aspire out the thing.
Do it.
We can tell the fraud Rasta from early.
The king, Sister Marcia.
It's alright with me to kill someone.
Song. Song gangster.
Yeah, you don't know.
Roll last them dead.
What you want me to do, City Town? Kill another drum pan for you.
The bodies.
Yes, I'll do. Yes,
Song gangster. Song gangster. Yes, to the juggling start.
Good God, good God, good God. Look what we do it today. Oh God, oh God, oh God, Lord, I pray. City Heat is in control. Jah give City Heat strength to face another day. Make it a long last road. Carry the heavy load.
The fraud Rasta got dead tonight. Remember me tell you. Remember me tell you.
It was a crowded night, a clash like this when I walked into the dance hall. When I listened to the music played for me, played by City Heat sound. As the music touched
Level gangster. Mr. The Clash and I got pretty tonight. It a got blood clot ugly gangster song.
City Heat sound play.
Tell him.
No sound can hide from this judgment. This is the only Armageddon.
Mix gangster, mix. Mix.
Anywhere, hear the sound. The sun was dead. Dead.
Get rid of that one there.
Dead.
Regular. Tell them who they are.
See the big bad champion. Sound.
What
sound.
name?
Sound called City Heat Sound. Sound.
Who remember the bad
Sound.
song ya? Who remember the bad song ya? Who remember the bad song ya? Mix. Who remember this? Fraud Rasta tonight. Extension stick.
Come well, lick it.
Shots blazing
in the street.
Level. I can tell you something. I'm not fight the artist war with the boy tonight. I'm going to show us a city that the body sound. We play every artist the body swear. Gangster, drop that one there. Tell him from Ireland.
Sound disrespect and we no afraid for boss we gun in. Serious we serious and not take it in the fun.
What them do?
This City Heat the whole of them a figure down in.
Reload.
City Heat a pre-road. Empty your clip and we reload.
Hold on, gangster.
Because we gun them out, we gun them out, we burn them out, bomba clout alright. I City Heat, attack them with the rifle. A gunshot, I come make sound stifle. Yo, I can
Song.
can't take with one tiger.
Song gangster.
City Heat gon' kill them sound. Oh gosh.
I want to do some class. Justice. Get the ball like a friend.
Yeah.
Tell them.
Step on the journey with
Jah put me, yes, a whole heap of things me witness. When city heat a clash, oh yes, we kill them like a sickness. Yes, we kill them out with business. So we fling them pan a eat list make.
What you put
them around them area like a frisbee. I say unsolved mystery, idiot sound can this way. Message in the music, yes, a city heat a fix it. I say
look at boss for artists right now, food. A long time she didn't want to sing about it. This is Queen Omega.
City heat not afraid of them.
None of them.
When they see the lion heart,
them off it. What are the gangster?
You know, say man not bad.
Some boy not a talent for boss bad song. Them only can play a popular song or cost enough money. I mean, your daddy sucks me on the bodies. Song can't bad alone. You have to can't bad it up. Dirty dread. Make I tell you from right there, sir.
Eating on the dance. City it in a grimy mood and it's no excuse for murder. That song boy we not play. It's killing absolutely.
Yo.
So heavy like Punjab.
Lover. Lover gangster. Lover. Maverick, big up yourself. Because you cuss me every day about my artist, so I'm not to fight with my artist career. I'm going to play a combination blood clot style. Young Gabby! Young Gabby! Tell them!
I stay rise up against the stay fall.
City Heat, I go kill them all.
Them could have forward from there.
A combination style.
Seen turn on everything gets scarred.
Because
drop like bullet in.
6 pack, big up your day.
City Heat, bad sound of regular.
I'm going to stick up the dance and hold on there.
Your face get poppy.
Lethal Stain. They're not bad like we. Stick up the dance.
The yellow man, City Heat, a machine shoot quick and.
I'm going to stick up the whole dance now. Everybody.
Nobody move, nobody get hurt. City Heat sound, put a sound on the earth.
6 pack. I feel you sang this.
Stay clear.
Song dancer.
Hey yo, hello. I told you.
You know why I'm going to win the clash tonight?
This I like a nice salvation.
You know why I'm going to win the clash tonight, 6 pack? Tell him.
Listen, the Lord is the light with salvation. City no fear, no jump on them. You know it's war, they can't fight me or fight me.
Song dancer.
Rolling and politely. Personality, motherfucking nigga.
Jah Mikey once said, my Rasta sound, me a killer blood clot sound.
City heat, killing a we trade, killing a we job. Run up in a city heat, gun them if you bad.
No Rasta thing, man a killer.
Why go bury under the dirt? City heat, a killing a them trade, killing a we job. Run up in a city heat,
Level. I mean name never this. You see, I'm killer fraud Rasta tonight. When I go change my name, when I go call me.
Cool, tell them. Cold-blooded murderer. Tell me where honor require. When I hear me city, he kill the murderer. Should not kill the innocent soldier. The one your name again. We
City to my and all, slew all.
I'm a DJ of this. Tell the fraud Rasta from early.
Something no matter. Tell them
City eat with your boss shot in up. Yes.
We not sex, we not gal piscina.
Cocky wicked girl, we not put lip in up.
Head get to a bum, make shot flicking up.
Yes.
Shot we buff, we not fling foot in up.
Lover, the Rasta walk all the way from California, so we know the pussy in a strap. You know the machine for him, you see me?
Always carry it.
You see me?
For the dusty son boy, them would want to take with life. City eat them carry it. Big machine where we hit up our side. Always carry it.
I do the security. Where me not pop it off and wheel it off.
We see we die.
That me I tell them in the road this.
Always.
Lover, Rasta boy. If you feel like say, chew him off little ganja money, he can buy one bag of dub plate. That now go work tonight, pussy. Son,
well, you know, tell us up, pussy, son, boy, step aside. Them not kill no sound, all them do for mechanize. Sound dead when your blood clot or rise. A simple thing for crack them fucking skull like pepper light. See we are easy, never know what's so bad.
We full of love, dub plate, yes, that's how we bad.
This city eat pussy.
And the first one, them say it now, judge, what me I win the crowd. Show no who I go win the war.
For build on some pussy, ya jaja we out.
How much sound there tonight, a Clash Gangster? How much are we?
It's about that.
How much are we?
So when two sound goes to war, two sound goes
who
to war.
Win?
Tell them city eat me, say we know you want the champion. So yes, one sound, yes, it come and gone. Two sound.
In case you never know, I can tell you from now. Make I tell you from now, you see that sound of them city heat? Dappa tell the pussy them. From early. How me sound see about you?
Dangerous. I am dangerous.
Hold on, the gangster. Oh, when the body's blood clot come on, this is going to play tonight. Hold on.
It is dangerous.
Jah Mikey want that song for you.
Bang better angle bang. Bang better angle bang.
Tonight, I said the heat just kill the sound of fire.
You kill them and the double, it's emergency. Tonight.
Rasta, you know I'm not chat to kill me tonight. I can tell you.
Make them say what them have said. Because smoke make for chat, you have to burn as a talk, you have to out like for that.
You have to burn.
Yes, me tell you more,
you have to
chat. When we done in another face, I get shot.
Things?
Fuck off with the ratings, city eat no need it. Cause we know,
love it. Make up play the artist and originate from Miami, Florida. Not the Rasta boy.
Alright. City shoot we no miss like John Stark. When we walk fire spark, we left them with chalk. Infrared fire for it and no religion mark. We left sound sack. The last one see with this we never get chance for talk. In front on paraplegic no get chance for walk. If them a try for pre we no get chance for talk. Chase them they your father boss.
We don't care who you be.
Look
Leva. I can tell you something, me a one boy. Don't give up on the artist them and build me sound. 6-pack that song ya. You see me?
City that gangsta gorilla from we band we no take chat. Rules and laws, personality you set that. Never you ever try disrespect that. Shoot a puppy top squeeze.
Mr. Pepper.
Yeah, set with force. We reach and go take that.
Me no fight artist war. But me have some of the baddest don't play them cut from the artist them. Merciless. Listen to one ya.
Now friend them ready. One of them niggas try to this time, I know Jaja. City to murder one, ya so today. One of them niggas try to get to one, ya Jaja.
Who are the gangster?
That boy fine.
It's a medley.
Yeah.
It's a deadly medley.
Oh Jaja, Mr. Stretcher murder one, ya so today. One of them niggas should
him not get no loophole for jump through tonight. Tell him.
City heat, lend out to mercy, we not get it back yet. This city heat will a death. Bumba will me give away me pity. Destroy your city.
What me a shoot him with?
Big 50 caliber go kill them over there. Burn them when I beg no damn friend over there. Big 50 caliber go kill them over there.
Sizzler!
Burn them when I beg no damn friend. Oh, money can't save you from your sin. Can't tell city eat, but you run something when my
level. Show me some of the bodies. I'm gonna try to counteract this speech. But he can't counteract my blood class speech. Bounty killer, kill him.
Yo, some boys say them bad. City them on the god. I know what they hard one night you bad. City go circle them ends like him hard. Why you get to tag? Why say them brave? But them no brave like the god. City
Rasta boy.
Coward.
None of my friends them not gonna cheer for you tonight, Batty boy. Yeah.
Fucking ditch. Well, city a bad man, them no friend fish. Tell them a Teflon bullet with a killing fish. Now me speak my mind clear, me no pretend fish. Them a preach like 7-day Adventist. City, tell them shut up about the fences. And I'm a chat like them father is a dentist. When I say him a bad man, still him apprentice.
Country boy, who bust a killer ya Florida?
Well, our world, we responsive. Looking at me classic 6 shirts expansive. Some son boy funny dog. City because the money some go the distance it. We are hot foot, hot feet. We be stop up go straight in the bang feet. And if the teller
you can go no killer if you go cut. Go buy someone you know. Go buy someone you know.
Boy TG Jungle so outside.
Anywhere we go. Run.
City heat dominate you. Supplegent could never stamminate you.
Don't try fuck around
when you see city heat. Cause my life will nominate you. Now you see no gunshot to penetrate you. Under the dirt it has send you straight you. Don't try.
Level. Hold on the gangster. Me nah say my sound can't dead, you know, brother. Listen me carefully. Me nah say my sound can't dead. But the fraud Rasta there. Or look like the fraud Jesus from the granny alumina can't kill me. Song!
Them know say a badness, right? I kill some boy. You see, all them attack, man a blood clot killer. And me a gun dead, me finger on the trigger. Me gun dead, you know anything. thing a city.
Dappa, what them know about?
You think of that?
The bumbo clad like the sea like vanilla, man killer. This song not get bad yet. He not get bad yet. The party of the fraud Rasta. Lyrics boy.
Pussy come a war with a small spinner. Your brass spinner fun up. War can't see my Mac 90 fast. With a clip me squeeze off. Pussy in a hand. City eat them a real fiberglass springer. So from the dance.
Level. You must see all the exit blood class sign and can't left. You know why?
Hey, city eat, hey, tell her, jump and sound. Nothing can run, nothing can hide, nothing can escape. City eat no plate, no sun can run, none of them can hide nor escape. I know my step up the way.
I'm just city eat sound, I beg no.
You remember the bad sister, yeah?
Father, daddy, you don't know no Jesus.
Me lawless, that him the law, me blood clot respect tonight.
Anyway, city eat speak. Bullet not turn back, son boy afraid of gunshot. Rougher than the one of them where you come shot. Bullet not turn back, son boy afraid of gunshot. Yo city eat, go tell them this a sound it. Sound killer. That's
Jah Mikey one. Me you see a plan to play Super Cat. And a trailer load of bujo. It not gonna help your pussy, yeah.
I say sound a go dead. Tell them no give me the argument. City it a kill and them a take statement.
Pussy wanted
with them a argument. Yes, so them a kill, giving no take statement. Well, bad man for a long time. Who is experienced? When a pussy a walk, we don't jump over fence. Bumble said them bad, live with all them parents. Me and me con them live in a bush.
You wanna talk about him a Rasta? I'm gonna tell you say. Him a Rasta this and Rasta that. Still I don't like him. Stand gangster.
City heat. Hey yo, yellow. Pagan can't speak one time further. I want to them, huh?
God not like you. You know where am I go dead?
Me sing before them see God, them see the devil. That's why them sound play miserable. City heat, I say he's Jah and not the devil. He make this world be comfortable before them see God, them see the devil. That's why.
Never, nearly. Me know say you have the assassin juggling, but you don't have the blood clot one here. Listen.
Hey, good now. I want to go to the champion and grab all jump on.
Assassin! Tell them about the bad sound from Florida. Oh, it's there.
We make them know. Say we a buffalo, so Jah man a Rambo. Hey man a real sound killer like Django. I just the sound killer like.
Again, gangster.
Hey, watch out now, my good
gangster, for your song this. I'm a select a song.
Hey, city.
Don't you worry, so make sure I play.
Man. Hey, good now.
Hey, good now.
I want to go to the champion.
SSMG. Bumbleclad.
Are you a banner?
The boy them dead tonight.
On city eat so.
Tell them here, shit.
Say we a buffalo, so Jah man a Rambo. Hey man a real sound killer like Django. I just the murder round stage, I make we dance so. Hey city eat a murder jump and so. Tell them man a buffalo, so Jah man a Rambo. Oh yes, real sound killer like Django. You see the day we a walk without the land so. More time.
Classic.
Tell them dead, them
classic. Classic.
You know say some boy believe in life after death.
And you play this song about the vibe.
CW. Tell them dead. Try to this is city, you're dead. You never live to.
I can tell us how Jah Mikey well. Me no friend, no boy. No boy, me no friend.
Where they wonder. Angle the angle, but angle them. And city heat come for murder them.
Every blood class sound for them except city heat.
Hey, wait, don't start to the show. Them keep forgetting. Sound boy, we no friend. City heat sound.
None of them.
Them keep forgetting.
City
heat sound.
Mix that stuff.
And now when your name rise up, who gun and city eats on a champion. Murder the jump on city eats.
We done back a judgment here.
And city eats on a champion.
One of the gangs, we can play the call.
It's for you to kill a little jump and sound. Get the town.
Him nervous round there, you know.
Them say
him blood clot nervous. Sister tell him.
Okay, city eat them a wonder. How you do this and grow with hate and anger. Fridge a profit, but as your dubs get stronger. A murder in the dance. City eat a killer sound boy in the land. Yo, them a pan.
Look at tell us something, brother. I'm not going to kill up myself tonight. A daddy sucks blood clot this. In a natural form, they no bad like me. Gangster songs.
So daddy sucks. I'm a dad, I'm a your Jesus, you're my father. Yes, hey city eat.
Tell them this.
Oh, fire, you rest fire. With a ramp with your pants fire. Until them don't violate cause something we sing like a church choir. Father sucks have some blood clot guns and all know him no use them. Pussy violate we a go shoot them. We have a rocket and lace.
Tell us something. Because the whole of my sound friend them are there right now. But me and the blood clot bodies.
Crime is
not time of it all.
One city each up. And the pussy will not like it. Grab up your mama body and buy it. We shot pussy, we not cost no fight it. Go get a blood clot, we'll go sit down and write it. With your own bite balti.
Ready?
Half the face in a fucking basement. It's swallowed. All the princess and Casey. One to them ways.
The bounty killer, you're one of a kind.
City eat me, I'm a 45 grilling. A real guncy killing. City eat them on food for less than a shilling. Fussy blood spilling. Blood drilling. Shot it up in them mouth like a blood.
The first round. Now with the people
who find hard chilling. Extortion me stealing. Homicide me skilling. From a contract.
Youngster, we can shoot the pussy again.
Blood like a pool one to them. Bad man take up
the shoot the pussy again.
What them feel like?
Tempo gangster.
Guns out and turn on and people life gone. Man a killer, man a no preacher. City eat now go on. Guns out and turn on. Your mother life gone. City eat in your grave you remand. Believe say you wicked trespass from me farm. Like you want big to coconut or a can. Them tell them.
He not tell no lie. Must dead tonight. He happy dead tonight.
Son boy you gonna lose him life. In a the blood clot dance tonight as you play. Me know them serious, but no boy can't take me stripe. Now they
Trendsetter, we're gonna play one blood clot key button right now. You're gonna voice your man and play the one against them.
Them gun them not for bullet. Hey, cause them face me with full it. Alright then, the one on him shot. I will raise it for a purpose, yeah. But the boy they cannot hurt us, yeah. They try to war, they try to curse us. The city let's say is the person, Queen Amiga is the person. I will raise it for a purpose, yeah. Some boy they cannot hurt us, yeah. They try
to play one next sound class classic.
City sound, on the rap pam pam. City them no powder sound. Anything test dead, on the rap pam pam. City them no.
And I say massacre, you say gong them massacre.
City eat, bust them head no man.
The one I know.
City eat pop it off, them can't run now. The pussy them dead. City eat pop it off, them can't run now.
The pussy, why am I do?
Them a carry feelings. A 6 foot.
Level the gangster. And the first one, them say it now, Judge, right? We don't have to act up yourself, but we have to show the pussy, so we bother on him. Song.
You can't do that.
Song.
Oh dear, yeah. If I want things, city eat sound. Have a lock rifle pack full of shots on no chat. Don't try violate. Than our father and our personality, you mad. We have a banana clip for share. For you and your friend.
But I tell you something. The warrior can't blood clot on a 5 round of music gonna get tonight. 5 rounds. Tell him.
Follow me then me say the one not done. Bring the llama come make we murder a sound. Where she bad a son say them bad. Them a beat off them come. Catch a pussy them a run when them sick a come. Christine.
Justice like how me say no matter what me never lose no blood clot clash yet. No someone never beat me.
Yes I climb in the mountain and swim the deepest sea.
None.
Searching for my someone. The city sound to play for me. How is it taking so long for sound to back and go on? When will they learn that is the city eat and get burned? City eat shall beat them all when it gets its turn. We never lose, cause it's the right up place for you.
We are going on blood clot promise. Granny said, promise I compare to you as a fool, but Uno is no fool. We're going to promise ya.
The man pimp.
The promise ya.
The man. You're done
that. The promise ya. Massacre.
No go on. Pages of sin is dead and we no finish it.
Tonight.
City. Hold on. Tell family my promise. City eat your way of live lavish till the day I vanish. Take a boat go my family if it's slow.
Alright, Rasta boy. You better find cover. You better find blood clot cover tonight.
Umbrellas up.
You better run for cover, pussy. The one you know.
ACTE.
How me say?
Umbrellas up. Man medal up. Man born to win. Champion never look. Raining.
What are the man?
Hear me no city E.
How me say?
Umbrellas up. Hey for the boss.
Don't play it.
Raining.
Country boys in the bad party.
City E. When me do me charge him, I take me can't do traffic, my power plus me charge, got it, my buy the bracket, no borrow. Charge me tap it the boss and nothing.
You have a fuck up in from early.
I bet we fuck up in ya. City
Kill a sound boy in ya. Acha, uno, mouth, kiba, can't stop city eat sound in ya. Dema, bad man, killer. I saw we move, I saw we rock, I saw we sip, we liquor.
Yo!
You, what? Kiba, girl, gas, jump, quicker, make a dance, couple times, girl, let take a picture. City eat sound,
now go fuck up in ya. So 4 minutes me have
Yo, city sound.
100 million and nothing for me shadow. 4 minutes.
Friend looking at city, yeah, no in charge. Oh, him have them gal in a house, I drink and it's I'm married jeans on him shoes, a Gucci, I the shirt to prove it. City it. Them boys.
Look at us about new song. Now I'm gonna do it tonight. So we have burned them out from blood clot now. Gangsta song.
Yeah, I've a 6 pan to all road.
We have burned them from now. Oi!
And I father the boss pan to all road.
Kawa!
GS non-stocks pan to all.
Bumbo clot now. Oi!
I sit it pan it all and him can't stop. Yeah, I wear the weed back past that. I step in at the piece, girl start snap. Girl a broke cocky so she have to get a cast for. Dada with the banger with the charger. This sneakers.
Dash. How much time me have? What about 3 minutes me have left? Kill him for the last 3 minutes, gangster. Kill him for the last 3 minutes, gangster.
Hey, City Eat.
For the last 3 minutes, gangster. Kill the pussy.
Millipede, you know the badness go. Boss the Filipino man, one government I representing of the City Eat sound. Me I say Sax. Me I say Father the boss. Me I say Pimpin. Me I say Dan Dada. Say them a bad.
Let me say far from the west coast. At the east blood clot coast of the tonight pussy. Me I can tell you.
Big girl clone them, me boy them a waste man. So we shot them down with the ear one. Copper flying and chest and tear.
And the last 2 minutes. Shoot them gangster.
Them with the long pumpy.
We are real good man, the boy them a junkie.
Shot them with the pumpy, we index junkie.
Son gangster.
Son. Make we kill some of them sound man a city eats. We ready, we about $100 million. Fuck them gal in our mouth, I go. City eats son.
Take them some boy.
Father gotta save them, them even know that.
Pussy.
Gun them where we buy, man I go live up. Place around nice, we are happy so up. Tell them go.
Massacre. Massacre.
Me know them palm, me know them answer. Only for blood, only for spade.
We know your GPS, Rasta boy. You living in the woods.
Them not kill nobody. That a lies, pussy to be nice. And cool like happy eyes.
Legendary.
Rasta boy, you not bad. You don't even look bad.
Image, sign up again to every girl in the kind of feel for no man about it. Tell them a bad fist and ball and no.
I see the sound.
When you pull up on them foot, she will tell you say it's all about the image. Sign up again to every girl in the village. Tell them a bad fist.
Rasta boy, you not bad yet, no time.
Well, have you ever seen a bullet flying straight out of a gut? Have you ever stand beside a man and see him skull a crack? You never get a gunshot in a war with hat. So the yellow pussy come and shot and come and tell me them bad, tell me them cold. No for them a kids where does a play gangster road. City say them no bad and them no bold. You the city heat, you go sleep in a hole. Some little batty man when does come out and up.
That's the first road, you know, brother. Let me say the voting, you know. But me have to win the crowd. That boy not have the energy and the style. On my blood clot have dub plate alone now go work. Because every sound of blood clot song. Gangsta, press the last one there.
City eat roll deep. And if you don't know we, you wouldn't know GS.
And the last deep. One.
How city eat. So man too easy if you switch dog. That's how they easy if you kill dog. GS who want you catch him with the 17 dog. Pull back on the cheek.
Dash. Yeah man, we not giving no blood clot time.
Yeah, man, punctuality is the key. I like it. People, who don't like how the clash are going, if you don't love how the clash are going, say yes. Tell the truth, man. God and his truth. Because it just a start, you know, the early warm, the calm before the storm. But here we go on. City E just play them 30 minutes, and that's what the thing there. You see, me now, I needed to make one more point across that I didn't say. You see, any round, when we reach the voting rounds, you see, when I vote once, I am not re-voting a blood clot. So make sure you vote for this song what you want, because I'm not re-voting.
If justice have to make a corporate decision, that's what he's here for. But as far as I'm concerned, me not do no re-vote. You understand? So City E just burned down them first half hour, and it's all about Jah Mikey 1 from the West Coast. And you know, say Florida, you know always stay with a bad mind. So I want everybody who come out and say from Jah Mikey 1, go on, say, go on, youth. Because we not bias dog here. Any sound dead tonight, just blood clot dead. Ask Father God why tomorrow morning. Jah Mikey.
Check one, check one. Well, bless and love and greetings in the name of the Most High I Selassie the first. We say, Jah. Big up all the God blessing out the place. And we want to say respect reaching out to all the empress in all the place. All the ladies, all the women, all the queen. All who love the ladies say, woman. That is actually now big up the ladies. John O'Star. Before me even say nothing, all night them say, yo, fraud Rasta, fraud Rasta. He is the only person I ever heard call him the baddest. Me never hear anyone say Daddy Sax, him are the baddest. Daddy Sax alone say him are the baddest. I lie me I tell. All who want to see me kill City in the Mona yard say kill him. We're not ready for that right now. First round, right? 30 minutes in our account. Make we play some music, cause that boy, him not like reggae music like me. Him not love reggae music like me. Him not love sound clash like me. Him not love Rasta like we.
Jah is my light and my salvation.
City, that's the best you can do for Florida.
He's the strength of my life. Whom shall I be?
Big up all the Rasta people in other places.
Mikey 1 is the teacher.
Holy Emmanuel I, King Selassie. Holy Emmanuel I, King Selassie. Jah, Rastafari. King Emmanuel said I'm free water way. 730 miles of shit.
City, that's the best you can do.
Jah know. Nice enough to the ends, one. That sound I get this right, strong one. Jah Mikey 1, we are the center front. We keep the youths no guns to eyes down. Do you ever make a circle?
Big up every token of this bomber clot.
Not to mention California.
And the bad Rasta man dead.
Pray for your soul where I go die.
Pussy, you not love this like me. Me I tell you from early.
A Rasta man sound, a ganja man sound, a California sound.
Champion sound.
Hey, Father Rose, what you say?
Sting ding ding na ding ding one. Sting na na ding ding one. Sting ding na na one.
All who love reggae music and Rastafari know the king of kings and the conquering lion.
Chop them up. Jah Mikey 1 love, King Selassie. Jah Mikey 1 love, King Selassie high. Jah Mikey 1 love, King Selassie. Jah Mikey 1 love, King Selassie I love King Selassie I red. Singing on the horn. Jah Mikey 1. I love King Selassie I go.
Make we play with Rasta song, just listen.
I love King Selassie I green. Singing on the horn.
This is Michael Rose, Anthony B.
The water.
Rasta Bumbo Clock Combo, listen.
I love King Selassie. Jah Mikey 1 love King Selassie. Jah Mikey 1 love King Selassie.
Him say me a fraud Rasta, but just listen, Daddy Sax.
Give thanks the day when Selassie I found way. Give thanks the man put some love around way. Give thanks the moment Emmanuel crown way as a Rasta man. Rasta man.
Him say me a fraud Rasta, but me never hear him give thanks. Daddy Sax, you a pussy.
This is the original Don Dada Jabani Wailer. I'm making a champion song called Jah Mikey 1.
This is the first round. You don't have no music.
You hear? Spread out this song is warrant me. And number 1 is in the air. People are dancing everywhere. All the music man is here. Break a book, the disco rock.
Him say him not rush it, then him rush the bumbo clot dance.
and this is on will never fly. The truth has got to reach the top, yeah. Jah Mikey wanna the killer sound. And we kill a little jump.
Make we make statement out of this pussy club.
Brah, this is the original Young Dada job on the whaler. I make it a champion song called Jah Mikey. Big up and large up, cause you don't know how you roll.
Big up city, but you're not playing no music.
Here, just mind how you want run up your mouth, sound boy, acting like a big man. Careful how you going all amount, sound boy, pretending you're a sound man. I am the conqueror, conquering and to conquer.
We never hear Daddy Sax big up the ladies from early. Our first round, we said big up all the Empress, big up all the Queen, big up all the woman. It's so easy, Daddy Sax.
Ganja Man sound, California champion sound, we said. No.
Big up with Bro God, Jokey's, the Stroll Dance. This rhythm voice right here at 26 in A's, that rhythm I build.
There's a sound that I have heard about that's killing all of the sound. Jah Mikey one is the sound I've heard about that's killing.
Me just wanna play my sound, Jah Mikey one, Badman Rasta sound.
To have this sound in the dance hall would be like a heaven to me.
40 years in the Bombo Club business. I saw you represent City Heat. For real, City Heat.
California champion sound. I pray thee. Why do the sound boy rage and the people imagine?
Him now bless up the dance proper way. Him a this Rasta. Big up all the God bless all the Rasta people in this.
Against the 90s saying, now come let us break the bands of Sunday and cast away the cards from us. You lead a seat that in them shall laugh. Jah Mikey shall have them in his region.
This is reggae music, Daddy Sax.
Drought and vex them in the soul displeasure. Cause you know I set I kings upon the holy mountains of Zion. I will know to clear the creed. Jah Mikey has.
Oh, you see that first round of 30 minutes. We say the first round, right? Just listen.
Jah Mikey kill a sound right away. Your sound I go dead, no matter what you play. Jah Mikey wanna play.
Me just wanna play me sound, play some music.
Jah Mikey wanna play.
City Heat that clash it not start yet.
Jah Mikey wanna kill the enemy, the enemy, the enemy. Kill some jump and sound. And make me strong, make me strong, make me strong. So I can live long.
Earlier play a song where you say I'm lend out the mercy already. It's alright, no problem. You know why?
Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
Big up all the bad sound from Florida and other players. It lend out the mercy, but it's alright.
A Jah Mikey one sound, you know. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Him say him lend it out, but you know what me say?
Have no mercy on the sound boy. Jah help them. We pray.
City, you made it so easy.
Remember when Jah Mikey one sound say, the shall of a man.
Little more is gonna play early B and talk about him have Rasta song. Pussy, just try that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Rest in peace to Tabby Diamond, the mighty Bombo Clad Diamonds. All who love reggae music.
Tonight every sound I go dead in the dance.
Run down.
You see right now me are going different.
Run dance.
Me are play my way.
Hey, you hear this low sound?
Me are play my way.
Zing band sound.
Every clash the pussy play the same set of music. You see we
dance. For you to Jah Mikey one selection.
Due to Jamaica one selection, make sound boy gone in a different direction.
We live a Cali, this war is called Coast to Coast War. But you see, after tonight, I move for Bumbleclaw, Florida. You know why?
Jamaica one won the keys to the city. We won the keys to the dancer. No sound boys can enter, no way. I've trod this road both day and night, and every morning as I rise I pray. Never let no sound get in my way. You know what, Jamaica one I pray.
You come from Florida, but you not represent Florida. Make we sail the big ship on the pussy them.
Jamaica dip on the ends now. Hey. Right now we ready, some boy hold on steady. Jamaica wanna move at lightning speed, yes. Take back seat and wait for we ready. Jamaica him die, so hold on steady. Yes, Jamaica them a murder, not the sound boy.
Yo, we not lie. Before we go any further, we want to big up the whole city. Big up Jason, the boss. The boss for that sound. It make me forward tonight and kill him sound in him own yard. It's all good.
You know what to do, huh? Every song must run him corner.
Yo, our first round, you not even play one, Freddy.
And we run every...
Pussy the big ship, I steal.
Hey, you have no idea how long I wanna murder you, sound boy. Hey, I wanna play you this dub and I won't tell you apart.
Me not say not more. We say big up on the Empress once again. You know why me say so?
Marcy Group is endorsing you every time. No apology. Run it.
This is the first round. I saw you warm up the Bumbleclaw Class City here. Make we teach you. What we feel like?
Jamaica's killing. I eat the sound is dying.
You see them sound like city. Them wait till way late in other dance to play songs like this. I am a fucking young sound, but when I wait, when I hold back no song. Listen, first round.
Ooh, yeah. I say make you one song to play. Oh, the ever yeah. The bird one song to play. Lord, sing it up, sound boy.
Big up all the bad sound in another place. Dappa, big up innocent sound, bad sound.
Because you did bad sound on the lawn.
How many times innocent kill city eat?
Oh, no.
Right now, look, Daddy Socks of Fred. He must search through his Bumbleclaw computer. You know why he must look?
Well, why?
Dappa, you know why him look?
Sound the big bad champion sound in town. I put the roots.
You not find no song yet?
Trying to kill Jamaica one sound. No, you never will kill Jamaica one sound. No.
Our first round, we just a Guan. First time in southern Florida. All who say the Rasta man sound Guan good for that first part of that round say Guan. Dappa, you ask them too early. Before me even play, you say, yo, if him Guan, say Guan. You just have to wait and then, yeah, all right. Respect Dappa Lee.
For real, man. Mikey one sound.
From you say me Guan, me have to play that one, yeah.
But one sound.
Make we Guan now.
One letter. Mikey one, you kill them so hard. Make them know you are the one of the yard. Mikey one, you kill them so hard. Make them know you are the one of.
Listen.
Them are bad for them, One thing me can't understand. The boy them a ball for them, man.
Remember me said big up Jason. Me and City was cool until they play that first round.
Ease yourself and watch Rasta man upon the tune. This is Jamaica one affair.
We said big up Jason and City. We was alright till then, but you see right now.
Jamaica one song. We used to live Charlie school and dance tune together. Jamaica one will kill your sound anyway, bout ya boy. He played and played some special like no other. Kill your jump.
We now rush you, make we play that song, make it listen.
Ballistic affair. Jah Mikey wanna fair.
But you see right now in our cliffs in our coast to coast war.
Yes, cry, originally cry. Oh, it was happening, but it's happening no more, yeah. It was happening.
City, me not go easy.
Sound boy, what? Me say, I that Jah Mikey one, I defend.
On the first round, we not stop playing with sound.
Daniel's burn the dance, all Godfather. Say that.
Oh, you ready?
Jah Mikey one.
All right, a killing time.
Tell me some boy when ready. When I'm ready. Ready or not, here I come. Jah Mikey one, make some zinc band run. We gonna find you and murder.
Big up to all of New York in other place, all of Brooklyn.
Ready or not, here I come.
But this is Southern Florida.
I run up and down.
And that's how City forward from. But them not represent Florida the real and proper way. Me not hear one good artist from Florida beside Young Garvey. Make we show them some bad artists from Florida from long time City Heat.
Tell them man, run things. See them a come down and run, cause them a ganja murderer.
Big up every herbalist in this bomb buckler, light up your spliff.
Cause them a talk about them confess test Jah Mikey one, but him a dancehall teacher. Them a talk about them confess test Jah Mikey one.
City, listen.
Dancehall teacher, son boy you sing a go dead, selector go dead, owner dead, box boy dead. 2,000 of the beat and not the sound boy belly.
All who want me to kill City, say kill them.
I'll eat that some boy, we'll kill them all over town. Hey, we kill sound and where we go.
We not come for meet and greet.
Put them low.
And that's how we dead tonight.
They all got to go. Ooh-wee. Killing Jah Mikey one sound bring bout ya, yeah. To all that sound, boy, they got to go down.
Remember, me are the youngest sound for City.
Sound do.
City, the 40 years in other business, and you not play this.
Bangly, 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 do badang, bangly, do badang.
City, listen.
Bang badung, baba do badang. It me and they do badang, bang a do badang. I tell you, Jah Mikey one not they done. But anyway, me go, me just go pop off a hand. Me pa with the Codimus as the little short man, super cat. They know it are the wild Indian.
It's alright, you know why?
Boy, you dead, you want go dead. Jah Mikey bus copper and leather. Jump on, jump on, and dead, you want go dead. Jah Mikey wanna bus copper.
We say tonight a coast to coast war.
Ribby bang come, ribby bang skang, yes. Ribby bang come, ribby bang skang, boom. Ribby bang come, ribby bang skang. Come bidang badang bang bidang badang.
I want you listen, just listen.
Kill a sound. Jah Mikey kill a sound, kill a sound, kill a sound. Jah Mikey kill a sound. Take a set. Jah Mikey kill a set, kill a sound, kill a sound.
Remember, coast to coast in name.
Take a set. Jah Mikey take a set. Me just love how Jah Mikey one sound it a flex. Kill any sound boy with disrespect. Jah Mikey one sound we put them to rest. Jah Mikey one sound win any contest. Cause yes, Jah Mikey are the best. Yes.
Listen, me not rushing.
Are the best in the east and the best in the west. The best in any musical contest.
Daddy Sax call me fraud Rasta before me even play one song. Daddy Sax, you know what them call me in a real life?
Murderer. Jah Mikey one a murderer. Oh Lord, murderer. Jah Mikey one a murderer.
Me come here for kill City eating at the Mount Bumbuckler yard.
We gonna kill some tonight. Jah Mikey wanna kill them tonight. We gonna kill them. We gonna kill some tonight. Jah Mikey wanna kill them tonight. How we go? Jah Mikey wanna kill them in a dance hall tonight. We gonna murder some tonight. Jah Mikey wanna kill some tonight.
Them are the oldest sound for we and them not play them artists there. Them boy are pussy in a real life.
Oh God, a murder. Jah Mikey one in the area. Whoa, whoa. A murder. You shouldn't try test the Rasta. No. We are gonna kill them.
You wanna know one of the difference between me and City? Them not go nowhere. We go all over this bomber clot and kill sound. You see we? City, some simple song.
I have been to dancing places, cause the one I've been freaking.
Pussy, you not go nowhere in a real life. You see them Dappa, just tell them this.
Well, I say send them come. Jah Mikey one way turn them down. On the idiot, on the loud boy, send them come. Jah Mikey wanna kill half a jam. On the hear me? Come and say anything with that Rasta, know them a go dead.
We not just come for kill them, you know what we are come for do?
Love good, all the while them coming at the dance. I go on like them big and them broad. But sound fraud, I want you to know that Jah Mikey the teacher and I did that. And he ma bury them, just because them run up them out, he ma bury them. East, west, north.
We call that the intro.
Bury them.
Nice and easy, me not rush it, we just play with bad sound first 30 minutes.
Well, cause many sound of
but you see that sound City Eat
have tried to compete, but all
they make some bumble clash speech that not make no sense, and then play some song like some people can't play them artists from earlier. Say me not play no artist war. Pussy are frightened. A bag of bumble clap bounty and play, but them not play no bad bounty. All who come for bumble clap sound war say war. Thank you. Daddy Socks, you say me not have no vibes. Pussy, you don't have no vibes. 30 minutes, you're just looking at a laptop. Frightened of fuck.
Hey yo, throw that motherfucking nigga should know that. Hey yo, with them say them want blood clot watch, with them say Rasta over your soul and feels them man.
We not start it. Right now, me feel like start it little bit.
Well, if I war on no one make it start. Some of them not the Jah Mikey one no pop off. Man a big bad man, no take no farmer talk. Yeah, this Jah Mikey one sound. How your life you lost. Tell them if I war on no one make it start. Some of them not the Jah Mikey one.
You will run up your mouth, but you see we
don't take no farmer talk. Yeah, this Jah Mikey one. Put your bank in on the pause. Why no say nothing? One more word and you sure get forgotten. This Jah Mikey one them a go report you.
Dappa, that mean me have time.
Like I put you straight in.
Me feel like Daddy Socks not go play. When them done looking at them laptop, you know what me feel like him a go do?
I see them run, see them run, see them run. Jah Mikey say when we bust we gun. And that the one your name blood stain. Pussy hole this week up a fall like rain. Cardiac arrest a lot the harvest to your brain. And rapidly with your soul.
Him say I'm not fight no artist word. That mean the pussy free.
Got it so system. Yeah.
Dappa, this is Shabba Ranks and Ice-T in combination. Ice-T.
Got it so system. Yeah.
Ice-T. Mega Ice-T. Ice-T sample to Pussy Clan. You never know. Justice, big up Prezi.
Jah Mikey one, murder all the sound and win the championship.
Me.
Now if I jump and test, Jah Mikey one straight in a dance hall.
Brian, big up yourself. Original vibes.
Shoot to kill and we no
shoot and miss.
Execute jump and win the championship. Jah Mikey one, shoot to kill and we no shoot.
Big up Brooklyn and this Pussy Clan.
What Jah Mikey one do? Kill them in the war. We don't play it, no they far. Well, if it's war, can't.
We say we feel like war now, Daddy Socks. We feel like war.
Kill them, jump and for fun. Murder them for fun. Joke now run and when we pick up we gun. Judgmented come. Boy, I feel lay down cause them a dead cause of war. War. Tell them say bad man feed them man on a bad man say we. Them a road boy feed them other shit.
Daddy Socks, you alone call yourself the baddest. Everyone else call you pussy.
What do them?
Early him say cold-blooded murder. It's alright. It's a first round. You're not kill nobody. You see my first round?
Alright then. So many souls will have to suffer. Well, if a son boy you have to die, now ask Mikey one why. Now ask California.
Daddy Socks, me or you do work round here.
Again we say, build no coffin and prepare to die. Who rise against the prophet, they shall show the die. Me tell you no, build no coffin and prepare to die. Who rise against the prophet?
Yo, him say me a fraud Rasta. Once again, big up on the Rasta people in other place. I Selassie the first. Socks, you don't know, we just listen, boy.
Jah Mikey one, well from a little bit, we been a Rasta.
Real sound killer. Hold up in me, a left shot in for later. When the time we stop, boy violate where you got under me na vape. And no boy never touch me for money. Me never yet been. No follow people we ever section. The big 45 you know with them.
Yo, him say
son boy give me no bagacha. Gunshot for them so we bad, so we bad, so we bad. This Jah Mikey one.
I saw me bumbo club bad. Hear that daddy sucks.
Oh not bad. This you get gunshot.
You must be stupid to be like, I'm the baddest, I'm the baddest. Nobody calls you the baddest. I don't get it. Is it dirty socks or dirty socks? Which one? Bumbo club. Yo, and then make sense of what him say. Me not even play it and him say, I'm gonna run down hype song. And then him play drift and then not catch no forward and he goes, new song not gonna work tonight. Bumbo club. You don't have no creativity. You play drift, make me play TJ like no one can play for me. Bumbo club, bad man sound and make you listen.
Jah Mikey one sound. Ganja man.
Dappa him say drift.
For your champions.
Me there are Florida, you know what me do?
Right then. Kill son and boss gonna make money. Jah Mikey one believe in her. Oh, you fi try this Jah Mikey one sound. You tell us this say them a real killer. Let me tell you about sound killer. Them sound killer, sound killer, sound killer. Them sound killer.
You say drift, him say sound killer, daddy sucks.
Kick it off, no queen. Are the queen of reggae, you know?
Make me play a Rasta combination, a man and a woman.
No, Empress man say a good face.
Just listen.
Kick it off, now.
Many are called, Mikey one chosen. You got to be a...
I told you he doesn't love reggae music like we.
Oh, yeah.
Many are called, Mikey one chosen.
Jonesy.
You got to be aware.
You take me forward for drift. City.
Say Mikey one a sound killer. Killing some jumpers all over. And we not see no son in prayer. That's how we are want them again. Say Mikey one a sound killer. Killing some jumpers all over. And we not see no son in prayer. That's how we are want them again.
All who say me go on good, say good. Simple bumbo clap first round. We have 5 minutes left. I him start the first round and them say I'm not playing no artist war. But me know them style already. From earlier him say, me are the baddest, me are the baddest. Boy, just go on bad. If you go on bad, people will say you are the baddest. If you stand up all night and say you are the baddest, people will be like, yo, this boy, I'm not bad.
Jah Mikey one ready to kill a fish, I'm only
Him love play bag of bounty upon one rhythm called Punani, like every sound.
Motherfucker, niggas, you know? They trying to take Jah Mikey one.
Like we listen to badness.
Well, your side, Jah Mikey one, you better run. No wait till we back with our bar, we gone. And we pop out, we gun Walipa. Blood that go run, X amount of people like a balloon. Jah Mikey one say up a shot. Remember we telling us just that here. Well, motherfucking niggas, you know, some boy get chip out like fish fillet.
Him play bounty marathon like one rhythm alone in reggae music.
None of mercy.
You hear that next bounty upon different rhythm, run pussy.
Tell a boy, run come up in a we magnum boy. Walk up in a me shotgun well. Disrespect Jah Mikey one sound. And your law I've disappear right there. And no one me no.
We time sharp, but me not come for waste time at the first round. Me have to win it even though it no count. You see tonight.
Jah Mikey one sound. Hold up on the chigga in a pussy at it empty. After the chigga put in a clip where you're 20. Shoot them ya Mr. Spency. Shot them gem intensely. Their body be left on the ground for the people them see.
We not like me here. Daddy Socks works at Publix and lives with his mother.
You're 20.
Bumbuckler, you see after tonight, Daddy Socks when you're gone from Publix.
Smarty mama go ball later. Dopey make a no cater. Killing in a we nature. Right front of police speaker. Pop off the brain scraper. Bad man squeeze it. In a head and some boy dead. Your mama ball later. Dopey make a no cater. Killing in a we nature. Right front of police speaker. Pop off the brain scraper.
Listen to that mix, listen.
Squeeze it. Jah Mikey one sound tell them. Dead. When Bentley come up in a clip fit, shut up the 6Z, pack up one light check, pop up, bust, head back up, body pan, body dead, pan dead, pack up, twine in a skin like Jerry J, not up, load up like hard Ben, carry red, not up, head look like when head crack up, one be a laugh a G, them up, hey, hot grab a split, every head hot up, use rifle a shell down yard, white child run now fell down hard, a spell gun dog, that smell some broad, now smell bun dog, me a bun the dead, me gun kill it.
But not lie, if you want to see Daddy Socks, you can see Daddy Socks any day of the week. And they are Publix to bag up some bumbleclot groceries. But you see tonight, we see some people we never see before. Them come and give me a heel. Daddy Socks, you know why tonight looks so nice?
Say the massive day my run come to hear Jah Mikey one play. Oh yeah, to hear Jah Mikey one play.
Daddy Socks City, you regular boy, I'm telling you, first round, you got dead.
Motherfucking niggas, you know. Two keys, the men, fly, two breeze, motherfucking niggas, you know. Hit one, Lord, done them all, please.
He play some bounty, but they not play the right one, not the first round.
The cheese. Well, sound boy, make me tell you this great Jamaican man come fi kill you. Won't go cold, gunshot man I got yours on damage.
Dappa, you've been in sound class before, right?
It's best you call.
When the next sound are looking at them laptop for 30 straight minutes, you know what that is?
Bono.
Yeah, them a go. Mikey wanna
look for Daddy Socks, I mean Dirty Socks. 30 minutes him a looking at the laptop.
Sound where them afraid of. I me said up in no fi fright. Now suck your mama dry. Then we try them with light. Now you have a problem, talk direct away. Mikey one shell it down if them step away.
Are you?
Said up in no fi fright.
In a real life, them underestimate this bad bumbleclot sound, but make sure you get familiar city.
Big gunman rise, boy, and make no noise. This a Rasta man and get the shot between the eyes. Life upon the line, the fast just to realize them get gunshot to them brain. Cha-cha-cha-cha, send shit into a...
Daddy Socks, I'm glad you brought this with your bumbleclot. Next person on the sound. You know why Daddy Socks brought this?
Tell them walk with them casket. Tonight them are blood clot dead. Jah Mike bus, one in a them blood clot head. The pussy them, one stop me bed. Fuck the music.
Jah Mikey one. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down. On the bomb clot. First of all, hey, me no bias. Me no bias. Jah Mikey one. Me no bias, but I know why you violate Patrick Ewing. Patrick, everything good, man. Waggy still rate you. Everything good, Patrick. You just never cut off for the war thing. Patrick, you no make Jah Mikey one this, you Patrick. You're all right. Oh, sorry, people. I was in the zone. Well, I know. Hey, people. Don't forget March 16th, right on Yasso, it's all about justice. Alongside Rhythm Force, alongside King Addies, and it's a hardcore thing. I don't know justice, any fucking thing can happen. It's a fucking madman this. Right? Don't forget January 27th, we're taking a road trip to New York, a place called Tropical Breeze in Brooklyn. Innocent versus King Addies, the rematch. Cause the pussy them vex them and kill them a blood clot Atlanta. But we're not gonna talk about that. Also, don't forget December 24th. It's all about a thing called Santa's Revenge. Luxurious Ballroom. Innocent versus Prodigy Movement versus Champion Squad. Our next mad thing. And don't forget June 1st. Atlanta, Innocent versus King Animosity, and you know me, I dopey them pussy there, so make sure you no show up, alright? Well, that was the first round. If you no say the first round, I go and say, go on. If you no say the first round, I go and say, go on. Bumbo clot, well, alright, so it start now. Cause Uno are the judge, and Uno, I go vote it. And from when I put on a hand in the ear, I do not recount. On can't trick me like Trump. On a can't treat me like Bush. One blood clot vote, no recount from yes, sir. 20 minutes each. City eat, your time start. Blood clot, no.
Yo. Yeah, so the blood clot killing start. Fraud Rasta. What look like the fraud Jesus for we going to almanac, you got dead. You might talk about say me the bodies. Because I tell you something. You have to believe in yourself first before anyone else is going to believe in you. So therefore, me are the blood clot bodies, so I'm going to show you. So me are the bodies. Blood clot, the Rasta, you don't believe in yourself. That's in a slogan. I are the bodies. Gangster.
I smart man representing for sound called City Heat Sound, you know. Big respect in the father, the boss, watching the man Jason. Sax, Dan Dada, Black dead. Boy. Watch the man. Sure.
Starting like this one. I yes, I'm dead. I yes, the killing start. Fraud Rasta.
Sound boy, I got dead shortly. Dub shot in a boy for real.
Kill him, gangster.
Yeah.
Watch it, tempo, gangster. Watch it, tempo, gangster. See that?
Well, then come the man called Martin. Them better overstand now.
Rasta, you there for juggle, me there for blood clot kill.
Yeah.
Hey, boy!
Kill we plan for kill a sound. I where them coulda think a city eat a wear the crown.
Level! Make a boss one Lila IK food now.
Represent.
Listen this! Listen this! Listen this!
City heat that dub you wanted. Fi kill a idiot sound and leave them haunted.
Listen this!
God, no murders we get charged with. Spit pan
me and my cuss one sound the other day. I call him on Rastitute. Me I say watch Potacus blood clot keckle. Rent a blood clot dread. You got dead tonight.
No murders.
Lila Ike. Kill the renter dread. You know party.
We heartless. Why? City heat. We violate the soldier and the sarge. Shot the bomber, kill the entourage. Select a boy, you dead, you talk to word. Member no for years, it eat bad. Member juggling, not just for fun. Cut with up for kill, so pussy run. Looking at the bar, rely we gun. When I play fit, you tell me to come the
Eat sound on for no respect. Joe Bryant and Levy say up, way up. Personality, Daddy Sax, Father the Boss, Dan Dada.
No matter what you do, Rasta.
Yes, tonight, city to kill them dead.
Oh,
yes, tonight, city to kill them dead.
Because
kill one at night.
Level, no play the gangster. What them say, coast to coast war, right? Song for the blood clot moment. Him left from the west coast and forward upon the blood clot east. So what am I going to play now? Gangster song.
No sound boy can't screech. You grass no bother come to deep sound. No way. Them just can't screech. You grass no bother cover this a sound. As sound is there. Them can't screech.
They left from the west forward all the way east.
Deep sound. No way.
That's song I know.
Oh wait.
They say my young son take some big kick.
Look my brother. Look what you see is going on.
Silver Star, tell him.
How many sound? I've been through that but City Heat sound.
You see that sound, yeah?
The champion sound. The rubber dub sound. The talk of the town. City.
Level. If I talk about walk with the casket. No, Rasta. The casket, they are long blood clot time. Patrick Ewing is in there, and you're going blood clot join him, song.
Kill them City Heat.
You're going blood clot join him.
Come, yeah.
Fraud Rasta.
Oh, no. Made it try but could not test. City heat sound. No.
Hold on.
Made it try.
Waggity. Just a surreal berry sound.
One by one, some fool went to the bank, withdraw all his money. Yes. Thinking that's what it.
You can't kill me no matter what I try.
The boss.
One bag of Obi and you walk, but guess what?
City heat, you play drops. Happy world so jumping.
Rasta la talk about some, me no big of the woman them. And me first big of the woman them. And me say God first and woman kind after song.
Hey, city heat, have no mercy.
Send a jump and sound to the cemetery.
Kill them off, kill them off. Kill them off, kill them off. Yes. City, yeah. Kill them off.
This is Ginger. Tonight what me I do?
Step in a sound white face.
Kawa.
Left them with a bloody face.
I mean set times
hard, but sound not gonna isolate a boy run out.
Rasta boy, you shoot, but you not shoot blood clot right.
Boy, they know themselves. Hold up. Hot about say I shatter them. City eat one beat and batter them. You know see a be a chatter them. Oh little tatter them. Where them a do with man back at.
And a real Rasta that. You don't even have on a turban. One little panty was stuck in pant and blood clot dirty dread. Him all I tell no say him living at the hills. I lie him I tell. Him living at the woods. That even a girl him with a blood clot live with. Rasta boy, you're nasty like. Kill him, gangster.
We don't make no sacrifice for you.
Kill him.
Gunshot is what we give unto you.
Kill him, gangster.
We beat your sound until it black, until it blue. You can't part.
Lever. I can tell you something. The renter dread is on a losing streak. Me hear about talk about him this and him that. A revolution lock off him blood clot. Rasta, you know bad.
Them man no dump to them name. With them virgin trigger finger. Dan da. Make bullet fly through you. Your family over your casket has said goodbye. Yo, city E. No boy can't box with panda. Joya. Warm to them boy. We not chase like Latoya. Big pussy Maya. Cock the sig. Sawyer. Bust it fire. Clap on in your head. Your mara.
Lover. I can tell you something. No make him fight no with no song. Because him now perform for no. Turn up behind sound and press play. Can't kill me.
To a someone face, we're gonna kick off your face. Gunshot.
You can't turn up behind sound and press play and kill me, boy. You have to perform.
Yeah, no, so now.
Tell them this.
We have nothing.
What the difference tonight? Hey, boy.
Cause we are
two different
people. We just love killing.
Level. Rasta, you get set up. The promoter hire you and put in a one blood clot fuck shop. And you feel like I'm coming and kill the blood clot body tonight. You know what team today, gangster, shoot him.
Hey money running at them place and shot a slapping at them face, say that not difficult. Up on a shirt, them picture piece over dove cut pick a space, say that not difficult.
Hey boy!
Hey money running at them.
All if a California mo in there.
Say that not difficult.
Would I kill your pussy?
When me say phone off a pick and space, pan a shirt, them picture piece.
You feel doing this anywhere me go?
Me say to eat them and not tell them that not. Pussy you win then in a yard.
Lover! You know why me get hired for the clash ya? We can tell them why, gangster.
Hear me no say to eat. Who that from my bird?
Me ya!
Conscience killer. Know the 45 like man, bang killer. Running on your place, shot and bang bang pillar. Shot the mouth right there, so grab. Come down, chigga. Bird. Conscience killer. Know the 45 like man,
the fraud Rasta. Take the wrong blood clot clash. You can't win this tonight, Rasta.
Hey, city eat running on the dance and boy it get shut off. 10 of them friend dead and everything lost. Select and them act tough, we check them soft. Who fool them up, 8 and 1 walk off. Now you jump and road, look how the whole and them a laugh. Them never knows the father and the real boss. Who used to wear Prada, them a wear Crocs. Them own Benz a foreign but a walk, them a walk. I had the devil.
If I talk about me in my computer for 30 minutes. Brother, as a selector, the whole lot don't know this. You can't build around in your yard of ability in the blood clot dance. Play better than him. Gangster kill him.
Blood clot hide. Ha, all the bands and that I provide. Hey, yo, yellow.
About 30 minutes. You know me, Nado?
Me sing, people look good, people look clean. Whatever them a talk about in a different scene. Fat Gwen Stephanie, she was my queen. Me ready to go wipe out this funk with pure laser beam. Look good.
I talk about me now because the woman them. And me first speak of the woman them.
Them batty man scheme.
You're not living a woman in a ride. You're living at the woods. Not to winter dread.
Well, the mistress said to heat them is the one. Who's to try for this, we on them know so that them wrong. Try for big this stop light in front for the van. And they said them again no city heat a madman. Mistress, the mistress.
Never. So me tell you something now find the artist war. You run go play Bounty Killer. No, it's not a secret. I mean the Bounty sound to Florida, brother. Now try the Bounty something tonight. You hear me I say? Go and play a tool, go butcher them. Cause them now go blood class here. We gangsta kill the pussy.
Yo, Jason! Pull them blood up with a base of socks. One time, Mikey. Them boy are fighting and blood up. They kill them blood clot and that's a rather.
You can tell him. Right there, right now.
Well, Tom, so now go dead and all the world we are tell. City heat of a gun.
Blacks International are there.
Them this father in a miniature fell.
Level. Me. Of some of the baddest Bounty Killer them ever voice from God blood clot planet. Gangsta!
I want them killer.
Down there.
Let me get me food. Then fi run. Get me and fi take up everything where they are gone. Get me finger fi.
Ninja man Bounty Killer.
Why no run? I see the easy you run. Why no run? And no joke man I run. Why no run? You sight up me magnum.
Him say my young son. Tell him this.
City heat no Cub Scout. We no just get recruit to your weather or your heart. When she's on a short, we don't come scout, we don't just get recruit. You this pimp him, them put her in a woods out. And not let me yet.
Play by no one champions on the world sound, get most nice.
You don't play the right Demos. See the right Demos, your boy.
National, you know Virginia. Susie Wanga, she says City Eater, champion. I tongue a try a thing, we broke foot with Papana. And listen, Mr. Demos in a size and pattern.
Move it, hold on, gangster.
Susie Wanga,
the part of the song I feel.
Champion, I tongue a try a thing.
Come on, ball about Rasta. Him don't know Empress spinning now, the high priest Melchizedek. Tell him this.
Because killing pussy and we kill them for fun, nana. 20,000 me go dig up me gun, nana. Stand up and no sit
but the bad sound from Florida, this boy.
Boy, I
yeah, yo.
City Heater got the out of sound tonight.
Classic.
A lot of them going to suffer.
Him playing a song or represent him sound. Him playing a song or represent him sound from California.
City Heater the baddest sound from Florida. City Heat, yeah, them are the ruler. We are bad sound, me say from Florida.
So
City Heat are the true murderer. City Heat a bad sound, me say from Florida.
Level. Rasta, it no matter what you play tonight. No matter what you play.
Doesn't matter what you play now, some boy. As long as you're not playing right.
City Heat, love the gangster. Love the gangster. God, them sang that classic, brother. Sniper, you're there. Right now. You see that song I'm going to play right now, brother. Georgia. Gangster, that's you start it. You see you start with the blood clot one, the gangster. Bumbo clot. Another one, they play the bumbo clot one, the gangster. And this one if you play. Fuck wrong with you. That's how we can start the rhythm. Hold on, the Rasta. Dirty Dread. You feel like saying it's a walkover tonight, no? You think you're going to kill us on tonight? Song.
Bad at the boss, Jason sucks at Dandada.
Let me tell you right now.
Dappa, dark in the Kingfield. You Mr. Man City. Hey, father the boss.
The World Club.
Everybody up. Give them a update. City. Everybody up. Love the look. Yeah, give them a update. What me do? Spend a couple dub plate. Make the club shake. Living legend on the asphalt. Know the must here. Slim gal a swing the pussy. Gal we carry.
Level. If you don't know about Daddy Sax, you know. If you listen to some audio and feel like say know about me. I spent one bag of blood.
Hey, City Heat. I inform them, you saw them talk plenty. Lift up your belly.
One bag of room, I must spend.
Wake a juvie bossy made we barely past 20. Binds a rip up your Gucci, bust up your dog.
Guess what?
Me full of metal line, can weld them in the carpentry. All of them a turn and mount a back up with this ass and visit.
And a Rasta man that is a long year dirty jet boy. Let me tell you, brother, in a real life, you don't live nowhere, boy, you go dead.
I city eat son. You know the thing go.
Right now.
And, hey, shut a left gun and every man a collect some. Anybody run a get it, anybody run. Gyal a ball out, if remember say that's my this up. Badness them a copy, so we pace it down inna the ground.
Level. Are the best at Jah Mikey one of this year. You don't believe me? Are the best at Jah Mikey one of this year. For the rest of the clash.
Yeah. We are one them and them never want hear. Because Papa for know some fools get scared.
The rest of the clash.
Kill them anytime, anywhere. You know that's on your kill a player. Yeah. What a rascal song clash. This must be if a boy this city. Them ready as a light up like a Christmas.
Chronic bumbo clock law.
Father the boss. So them feel like them tough 4-5 fat like car when it rims up.
You look like pump up car tire.
So 5 in a belly, every bone on the ribs broke. And no great man, a waste man, you hear that them strongest soldier, no brave like a Delia. Circle them here with.
Hey, look, I tell you something. You say for your speech, dirty trade, you got dead tonight, brother.
City!
Just because of what you say.
Your temper reach a level where you can't cool. Gunshot a go beat and all who did that one fool. You ready for teach, you ready for go start school. A lot the wanna be boy, we say
Level. You might talk about me nervous. I mean a laptop, 30 minutes, nothing wrong with that. About 6 blood clot bounty I try to study that Sonia. And you still not study right, bounty kill him. Kill him.
The man called Jason, the man called Sam, Dan Dada. Blackbird Pen Canada.
Kill him.
Miami.
Kill him, Bunty. Oh, you're young sound.
No, you're dead, your mother ball city. Name you call loose argument beaten. Long story for hole. See me do bumpers up like our hall. Did in a gully powder out like a mall. You could have bigger.
Level. I'm going to hang the Rasta with him on a blood clot locks tonight. Sang gangster. I'm going to hang him.
I done we are
going to hang him.
Alright then, some go up, swing them up, hang them up alive. Goodness it eat, well them a try for deprive. Yo, swing them up, hang them up alive. Hey father, make we burn out the dirty vibe. Yo, swing them up, hang them up alive. Them the city eat and none of them can survive. Yo, swing them up, hang them up alive. This way I'm tell the whole of them going collide. Last week me you say that the boy go take a dive. Which part him diving at the one jockey prize?
I wanna come out and mix down dub lounge. Humbugclad. The part of him, kill him gangster.
We don't know where them boy you come from, but
hey you, over there so let me tell you this Humbugclad.
Yo 9M and them for swell up your back.
Be your one.
Gangster for life, but don't know Humbugclad. War on one city, eat ready from Peter. Me not chat him out and me tall up, make it.
Him talk about say, me a cuss new song. Me not cuss new song. Me a run them out from blood clot now.
Alright, some son boy. Why like said them made it can't bust. Shoulda see a sound first when the AR it bust from
Jah Mikey one.
Why get wet up with the tar up?
Remember
the eat so no laugh with people. Risematic and run them out. Me good here we be tapping at this game. Empty a clip in a son boy mood. We no laugh with people. Risematic and
I say massacre, you say gun them. Massacre, massacre, massacre. Guess what?
Reach for the stars if me miss me can she cloud. Who me said the money no matter you make me proud. Yeah me have a black chick, but me slut. Walk a suck on no matter you know me chopstick loud. Me stay true to myself. Now watch this crowd, me now freak out myself. We gon' lock this globe, millionaire in my 20s. Crack this code, pussy them a go on like me no want talk this road.
Level, that song I'm gonna play right now, I swear. Fresh off of the blood clot press. And the first me, I own I hear it. Gangster press player.
The original bad sound city. No coward, no they are broward. Easy Jason. Sax. Mad spider step. City them a run from. When them a feel war sacks, them start run down my custom. It no matter them a go dead cause them a jump on. Yo where the gun done. The pussy old sound boy say them great. The city and dead straight. Them vice custom don't plate and them don't know what we plate. Come in argue one of the debate but to them no rate who a be.
You can't play no custom tonight pussy and kill me.
Yo, them no got no song. So them link artists and try cop the song.
Them not even make a speech, them just
Clever. That song the name the Custom Blood Clot Killer. Right now if you dead gangster, right now.
City in
right now if you dead.
Dada say timer. Hey, Dada Jack's personality.
Rasta boy.
The 80 for sound this your link him for dead.
What me do?
Put a timer pan him head. Put a timer, just a timer, man a crimer. Me son chop your finer.
Fred Rasta, you know you're going dead tonight. You know why you're going dead tonight, boy. You know why?
Hey.
You know why you're going dead tonight?
Bad anytime.
You know you're going dead tonight?
Dan Dada say, we bad anytime we no ask. Kill sound anytime we no ask.
Hey boy.
Bust we gun anytime we no ask. No bag a question, personality. Real killer know what.
Earlier on you play one song. But oh, they trying to conquer me. No, brother. Me they have to conquer no man. A woman to conquer. Kill me, they have to blood clot kill you. Me they have to kill you.
City in sound.
Hey boy.
I'm on time to you, them test them and go get conquer. City hit a job the one like a big conquer. Heavy full of ammunition like a big tanker. Enough money make like with a big banker. Hey yo, enough of them a chat but we no response.
Dash.
No. Because remember me and your friend, them are going to send me bias. I'm going to purchase them things. So, hear me I say no man. Don't forget it's all about November 18th, I think, dub plate execution. And that is all happening. Well, I know. Let me just get this out. Dub plate execution next Saturday, November the 18th. 3426 Northwest 16th Street, Lauder Hill. I don't know, it's from 2 p.m. until live stream by 6 o'clock. You don't know, I'm a family, I'm a brothers them. So, you already know, when you say 6 o'clock, you say innocent. No matter what. 6 o'clock, innocent. All right, cool. You know the plate execution. Make sure you did it. No! That was City Eat, first 20 minutes. Jah Mikey won. When you say, now connect, all right. Now watch nothing. Everything is everything. Jah Mikey won, I'll start out him thing. Let me know when you're ready. Don't forget it's all about November 25th. Innocent anniversary. Sounds like Copper Shot. Danger Kid. You don't know yours truly innocent. A whole heap of special guests. You know what thing them start out every year. A madness. City Links, big up yourself. Big up, hey, yo. Big up Kira in our building. Big up Cassie in our building. Big up Six Pack family in the building. Country Boy in the building. Lethal Stain, DJ Damien, DJ Craig. Silver Star in the Bumbo Clock building. Unleash crew. Jesus Christ, people there like fuckery. Marlon, big up yourself, brother. All right, look, Jah Mikey. All right, look. Reboot that blood clot with a business, you know. Cause sound of it dead, you know. We now count no technical difficulty of blood clot. Reboot that. What you say, ready? That was City Eat first 20 minutes. Remember, we're voting. And it's one bomber clot vote. So take a blood clot note. Jah Mikey one.
Respect Dappa innocent, John O-Star. I can't believe. Look upon dirty socks. Dirty socks. Ras clot. The thing I don't get is 30 minutes am I looking at a laptop, and if you know, everyone in here has heard City Heat. The same fucking set of music. The same round and playing every fucking clash. Same juggling. Daddy Socks, what are you doing? You're not playing a different song. We could have listened to Bumbleclad City Heat audio if we want to hear that. You see City Heat, you see Daddy Socks, the whole of them.
Jah Mikey one sound. Real herbalist sound.
Them say this and that, but them not use no gal and kill no one. Make we do so.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Jah Mikey gonna find.
On the same set the song them play.
Kill you slowly. Ready or not.
Welcome everyone back inside. That split break is over.
Jah Mikey gonna find you and make you sorry.
All who want me kill him, say kill him.
Hey, this is pure disrespect. Pure disrespect. Now,
you're not going with non-city. You see right now.
Let's talk on you. Step aside now. Jah Mikey one come to take over, yeah. Sound guy, you don't know who you playing with. So we start.
I'm not playing one berries, 2 round guns.
Won't you step aside now and let me show you how the Mikey run dance, oh yeah. Yeah, you need good plates and
what are you gonna do the next round, Daddy Socks? Play the same set of song?
Sound guy, you know reggae. Trying to disturb the champion sound.
40 years in the business, I'm sure they have some Dennis Brown, but I guarantee them never voice this Dennis Brown.
Hey, Jah Mikey want the people, them have faith in you. They put their trust in you, and you never let them down.
City, you got dead in your own hometown.
How the message of the Kabbalah, so take it away. Don't honor to the great King Dennis Emmanuel Brown.
On the same set of song you go use, you go dead. Them not love this like we make we play some real music.
Jah Mikey one place dance in the morning. Make tears round down some boys' eyes, yes they cry. Some boys fumble round the turntable.
You could have voiced this Dennis Brown, but I guarantee you never voice it. City, you're a worthless zone.
Jah Mikey one place is stops all night and pop-ups of someone's stripe in the daylight. Oh, well, little soundboys, they don't stand a chance. They test Mikey and
a big sound up player.
Okay, Jah Mikey one play it for me.
How many regular Luciano them play?
Ganjaman song, Rasta man song. Fire! So killing time again. So while I fail, Jah Mikey wanna kill the bullet.
Listen easy song.
You see the moonlight on the town. Oh, I'm getting ready. Jah Mikey one down. Some boys dead and bury. Jah Mikey put on him diddy and good, my God. Some boys get nervy. I got a call on the town.
You see walk one tonight.
He wants to not kill us tonight. Whoa, we kick us on from left to right.
We not lie, all night them this Rasta. Boy a fraud Rasta, him this, him that. Boy you better show some bumbleclaw respect and big up on the Rasta people in other place. But me want to say big up on the bumbleclaw ganja people in other place.
Biddy biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy making. Bang bang, biddy bang bang.
Not even one ganja song make the people feel nice.
Early, sound class morning, Mikey one comfy cut boy throughout, hey. Early, Sunday morning.
Listen, me a young sound, me have to play some young artists, make you get used to them.
Huh. Oh, yeah. And this is Rasta representative for Jamaica.
Big up all the ganja people in other place. Listen to the artists, Rasta.
Check it. Huh. Say do not left the cali weed. Anytime you rolling with weed, please don't left the cali trees. Anytime you roll.
Rasta, listen.
Hey, said if you know me, then you know say I a real herbalist. If you know me, then you know say grab.
We don't want no forward. We just want to feature some new ganja songs, some new young artists. Rasta, get used to the artists. Something that old sound not do. Me as a young sound, we have to represent some of them young artists. And we come from California, yes. Tonight the name Coast to Coast War. Them come from Southern Florida. But you see, City Heat, them never voice this next artist. And them come from Florida. And the artists come from Florida and passing Ghana. Our brethren. We have to play the artist. We not play it for a forward. We play it out of respect. And we play it because we love it. You know who we are feature right now. All the respect to young Marley, Joe Mercer Marley, Buster Shotton at the Bumbo Class Sky.
Dead body fling like.
We don't want no forward, and we bridging. We have to play that song. Mercer, big up in a God Sky, Zion.
Jah Mikey I go kill and win like if it ain't nothing right now. Me have to beg for your sound system. Damn. Kill and win like if it.
Big up with Bumbo Club. Bro got Drew keys at the Strodan. Him drop out, but him there tonight. Me feel it. Our brethren Joe Mercer Marley in our real life.
Dead body fling like if he
You come from Florida, artists live in Florida, I'm gone, but I'm never forgotten. Listen.
Jah Mikey I go kill and win like if it ain't nothing. Right now me have to beg for your sound system. Kill and win like if it ain't nothing. Right now me have to beg for your sound system. Kill them all.
Listen.
Sound a figure one dead when them all pray to the creator. Mikey greater than the greater cake them make up in a.
You see that Sound City, them not going with nothing.
Rastafari. Jah Mikey one sound, yo. Ruling sound, now, yo.
Daddy Sax, we are going to play the same set as sound third round.
Jah Mikey don't want to. Jah Mikey don't want to hear your sound in this clash no more. Jah Mikey have to.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Yeah!
You come from Florida, you can't play this.
By the king loves all I and I bring, you know. Voice of the one called Big Gangzilla. Jah Mikey one sound.
Big up original vibes. Fireman, big up yourself. Dre, big up.
Boom. Jah Mikey in a sound clash. Some sound a go dead in a combat. A 2 ton a dub in a dub box. Dub in a the handbag. The knapsack it in a the backpack. We dub back in.
You see that song, we pick it up, we voice it. Right in Junior Gang Bumbuckler Yard. Pussy, you not voice, no dub.
We not afraid of them. We not afraid of them.
In your own yard.
We not
afraid of them. In your own Bumbuckler Yard.
I got judgment again. Sure. You're lifelong, but you're careless with it. If you're this Mikey one, you shall surely lose it. Name. You're lifelong, but you're careless.
He said he's a cold-blooded murderer, but you see me?
Hey, murderation. Mikey one kill again. Murderation. Now beg them, no friend. Murderation. Mikey one.
Him play some regular Sizzler. You see the Sizzler when we play him, not like them. You know why?
I just chewing. Powerful, them no like we. To me tell them King Selassie, I am the Almighty King David lineage. Powerful, them no like we. To me tell them Rastafari.
Why you this Rasta boy?
Powerful, them no like we. To me tell them King Selassie, I am Almighty. I just chewing. Powerful chewing. Powerful chewing. Powerful, them no like we. Tell them Jah Mikey one champion sound alone work. Seems jump on.
Yo, big up yourself, Brian. Original vibes in all this pussy clot.
That them no work.
When it come to sound clash, we represent Rastafari, but we are bad bombo clot Rasta sound. You see that next song? Brian voiced that song. Listen.
Anyway, yo. Don't know a gully got.
I was just gonna kill City Heat. Don't bust no forward. Just listen. Now you know what I'm gonna do.
Jah Mikey.
Listen. Dappa.
This is what the Rasta life is like. Kill some selector boy and fuck.
All who say I'm dead say dead. Bump, yo. Me not lie.
Anyway.
Yo, listen. You not hear the good part. Just listen.
Don't know a gully got represent straight.
I told you.
Gully.
Listen, please. You think that alone? Listen. Listen. Quiet.
This is what the Rasta life is
quiet.
Like. Kill some selector boy and fuck off them wife. At a set a girl with pussy tight. And that some bad mind selector no like. From your mother womb. Jah Mikey put son in a tomb. Case them long like push broom. Badness. Who's careless?
You play timer.
That marijuana, you see.
Daddy Sax, look on your watch.
The rascal Tennessee. Brown bottle. Anyway.
Big up all the ganja people in other place.
Ganja man. A big song. Don't like the song.
Hey, they wanna know what's the road, mother. Down mother. My song sipping any say. Oh, what's the road?
You know which part we forward from?
On the west coast, sipping any sea, smoking cheese.
You play Sizzler, you don't play no bad Rasta Sizzler.
Well, I say guide over Rus. Emperor Selassie, I Jah Mikey wanna murder jump and sound. I know it is a must. For us to make it home, even through them, you're not sin of teeth. Kill the clown, guide over road.
You think a joke boy and them play one combo? No, them don't play no combo. Pussy are 3 the hard way.
Rasta brother,
yeah, Lion, this is Steven Ragamuffin Marley talking.
Yo, 3 the murderous way.
How the fuck you play reggae music and you diss Rasta? Pussy are hypocrite.
Jamaica one sound boy killer.
Him a pussy.
Jamaica one sound boy killer. They say Jamaica a sound boy killer. Jamaica one.
That is actually, you see we sound we bad in a real life.
Alright. Mikey one at the sound when we can't get the fade. The be son why we kick out them dead. Them come and sound clash and now we see say them a fake. Them don't know say Mikey one now we govern the straight. From them a play cowboy and Indian and chief. From the first
Dappa we say 3 the hard way. Them pussy play sizzler but them not play this.
Jamaica one say no direction for the pussy them no other time. From them this Jamaica one them can't cross borderline. Red Dappa figure bust out when we bust the 9. Well we not beg no friend. Kill them on a full time. As a matter of fact,
him say I'm not playing the artist war. You know why?
We're taking over and we got nothing to fear. We're stepping over Jamaica one sound you not here stepping over. Righteousness we are declared. That Jamaica one sound is loud and clear. We kill them out, yeah. Not a drum band, we no fear. We kill them out.
You know why City Heat never wanted to keep this clash of Cali?
Hey.
You know why, Prezi?
Rasta sound. None of them no fi try pass the border. Them no fi pass them place. Hey, Jamaica one sound and you a keep the order. You thumb them in a face. Oh yeah.
Yo, Daddy Socks, you do a bag of talking, but you see we.
So me say not another word. We not gonna further Jamaica one sound boy if he get murder. Another word, blood run like water. Shut out to business, he kill them and me pleasure. Informer I see Jamaica them treasure. Bond him and kill everyone on the
HK Baba.
African in a we hunt.
For your artist, me use your artist and kill you, but make we use a Rasta artist and kill you for the rhythm.
Hey, watch out now. Hey. Jamaica sound now go grant you no pardon. We kill every sound boy from morning. And we not take shot and we not give a warning. And we not win and not a bag of name calling. Well, Jamaica sound from out of California. Boy, where you live?
Used to that tourist.
Murder. Sound of the...
Which part we send them, mega?
Which part we are send sound boy? Them not the graveyard. Hey, Mikey, send a sound boy to the graveyard. That's what them go grave.
That is actually not listen.
And I want to tell them something. Send them on them they true. Kill them like dogs and drums too. Oh, them they true. We kill them like pigs and crew.
Read them up.
We time short.
We not business out.
You know we're not playing a song here. We just vibes up this pussy clot.
You don't want to tell them something.
But you see right now, City.
I say that one name. Slow them and be a feelings them a carry. Them this Mikey wanna know me. Say them a go sorry, yeah. Slow them and be a feelings them a carry. Hey, Jamaica wanna
yo, Daddy Socks.
Some go say yo. Them not like we and we not like them. Them away enemy we and them no friend. Them no kill we and we kill them. Jamaica want so we no beg people friend. We come again. They burn up and the farmer them.
We play with somebody with bombo class self. You know why?
Jamaica no like hypocrite and parasite and them no like funny man and sodomite and them no like niggas when them over hype for say where you give me a fight. Jamaica want tell them we no like. No watch you woman that right and
certain Jamaica you say certain.
We know our friend with Daddy Socks and City. You know why?
Sound, certain boy. We no want a friend from them. I pussy them, a big fussy. Think my brother know, and Jamaica find out. I pussy them, a big fussy. Certain boy. We no want a friend from.
We know Dirty Socks name alone. The next boy, we don't know him, but we know this about the two of them pussy there.
Jamaica. None of them pussy then a bad like way. None of them pussy then a tough like way. None of them pussy then a rough. Life is a treasure that cannot be measured. Jamaica. None of them pussy then a bad like way. None of them pussy then a tough like way. None of them pussy.
Yo, true me at this Dirty Socks all night. Him not like it, but we not give a fuck.
Jamaica one.
Rasta man down to apologize to no bad boy. This them your thugs that make we judgment your boy. Give me the one of the girl because of them above the joy. Lake up fire me dance boy. Oh,
we say we time done. All who say me go on good for the whole night say good. I want to do something before that time done. I want to feature with sound in a different bumbo cloud way. You see that rhythm? It built right here in South Florida on Hayes in 26. And my bro got Drew Keys passing on, but then build that rhythm there. And me alone can play that rhythm. Listen.
Yo, get it done. Done mercy. I just gotta say.
He play regular slang thing. Listen to me, bumbo class slang thing.
Jah Mikey one, murder them blood clot. Tell them the one your name blood bought. Go back when the fam got push your first card. Jah Mikey one, the girl them say them why them out at home for. Tell them move or make you come cross. Which one for that give me gun fast? Jah Mikey one, if I want you not go run last.
Jah Mikey one, hey Jah.
You see Daddy Socks?
Your name when you sit talking parrot. In the mill, me say go ask him what that. On fi up man a style him.
Listen, all night him say him are the baddest. Just listen.
Say again, Jah Mikey one no in a long talking. Anyway you see the that.
I am alone. Just listen.
California gang marching.
Listen.
Everything will be scorching. Them claim say them bad. Self-proclaimed bad man. Them ego get the best of them. Them claim say them bad. Self-proclaimed bad man and if it depend on the step of friend. Them claim say them bad. Self-proclaimed bad man. Them ego get the best of them.
Daddy Socks, I mean Dirty Socks. Him not like me, but me not care. You know why?
Well, if I first you wanna like me, suck your mama. Can't no sound boy. Jah Mikey creator. We tell any sound boy. Suck out your girl. Jah Mikey no itch. We go blow petrol. If I first you wanna like me, suck your mama. Can't no sound boy. Jah Mikey creator. We tell any sound boy. Suck out your girl. Jah Mikey no itch. We go blow petrol. We no nyama boy yard. We no beg favor. We no sponge pan pussy. We cook with dinner. We no beg people split. We have one ganja. So
we got one more Daddy Socks. Big up with Rasta friend in other place. Original handcuff boy. Make we play one of our artists and bust off Daddy Socks, Pussy Clap, Fierce.
Yes, I know coast to coast them come bumbo clap.
Daddy Socks, last century.
I want to Daddy Socks. You think like Bobby Socks. Jah Mikey, drape that. Give him about 4 bucks. Balu balabu, what them a dabu? Daddy Socks, suck your mother, can you? Balu balabu, what them a dabu? Fi kill city eat, yes you know I got to kill fi fun. Jah Mikey a kill city eat them fi fun. Nah kill them with no knife, nah kill them with no gun. Big bad to play it out a jam down. So me chop them with the perfect, hit them with Capleton. Fi play Jonah gang, you a fi have extra pound. Can't mix Jah Mikey with no idiot clown. Kill city eat in a fi them one town. Send them home. Dash, balu balabu, what them a dabu? City eat, please suck your mother, can you? Balu balabu, what them a dabu? Fi kill Daddy Socks, yes you know what got to. Balu balabu, what them a dabu? City eat, suck your mother, please, can you?
All who say we kill the whole of City eat say dead. Bombo Dappa.
This one right here is a duo. We wrote it ourselves. Patrick, what I said to the people them? Lonely, I'm so lonely. Need somebody jump in this coffin with me. Pussy clot. All who love on the world, go and say go on. So what I know, me want to know. Me tell you no.
Dandada say.
Fuck what Dandada say. Me ask you nothing about Dandada. Bumbo clot you. I'm my friend. But me no bias a blood clot. So, I want to know and I tell you no from early. I'm here to do a job. I don't give a fuck about no boy feelings. All who say city eat wind around there, put your hand in the air. All right, fuck it. I tried. All who say Jah Mikey one wind around there, put on a bumbo clot hand in the air. Patrick, take that. Patrick, him soon forward, my youth. Relax your mum, clots, him soon forward. Me don't know how. People, first round in the judging, Jah Mikey won. Don't forget it's all about the plain execution. Inside Alala Hill 3425, 16th Street, Judgment Yard. Maverick, go sit down. Out of the room. Back up. This is right here. This is the third round, but it's the second voting round. Mikey won a lead by what him name, Jah Mikey? What him name, Jah Mikey? All right. But it's not over. They say when you take the lead, make sure you can maintain it. Daddy sucks. Me know say your blood class kill. From 1994, your blood class kill.
Jah Mikey won. Only go get one round. And that's the thing done. No more. That me I tell you. One time, when time them forward and never make them feel like say. They say me I say play fool, we catch wise. Trick them, make them feel like say all is going well. They just bust them blood clot head. Gangster, how we have started?
City Eats, you don't know it. You're larger than life.
Bust them blood clot head. Don't worry.
Personality, I want to do. Hey, yo, Dandada. What make you bad so? City Eats, what make you bad so?
To the world.
Tell the world.
Guess what?
City Eats on a plate, sound boy you follow back. One box of dub, some papers and grab another sound die. Me say to build your spliff bonnet and push it into the sky, another sound die.
Yo!
Another
that about him a ganja man, a crackhead that.
Another mother cry, oh.
Sun gangster.
Run that fast.
City Heat.
City Heat and murder them now.
Is that a pretty street?
I can tell you.
We've been searching the whole wide world for a champion. Sound like you. Now City Heat. And now that I found you, kill sound for true.
He will play a Bunty, but him killing them that sound like for me. Bunty, kill him.
So easy.
Bunty.
Kill them for true.
Tell him this.
City Heat, you sense all heaven from hurting this world. Who's come and shot on him a bitch like girl? Kappa shot on.
Why you get defeat? When we put the case.
Boy, you're Rasta man. Listen, Rasta song.
Oh, let the word of thy mouth and the meditation of thy heart be acceptable in your sight. City.
I can tell you.
That one your name, me sing. Music is a mission, we love competition. Some boy I use the music cause confusion. Show all the woman, them likewise the man. It's like
Lover. I come talk about him a Rasta this and Rasta that. You're a wolf in a sheep clothing. Oh, you talk about your Rasta man and now play the Rasta song.
I want some guy, man. When I hear me, if reality you don't want, let me hear you call out City Heat.
Yes, sir, dead. Yes, sir, dead.
I said she be to Selassie, I
When I'm Mr. Personality, we tell him say, hell and destruction never yet full. So the
oh, you're Rasta now, play that song.
It's under the face, so the other man.
Disruption.
Big but match, rugby, wait to be, rising star. One time, right, I'm here to be. Out to the red, I'm about like that.
Yes, Rugby, me and your friend to you. Selassie, I know that.
Yes, sir.
I want some guy, man. If reality you don't want, let me hear you call out City Heat.
You can't say you're Rasta son and now play them song, your boy.
Yo. I said she be to Selassie, I the great emperor who rule the world while him rule it enter. Selassie the greatest king, we come bout it. Only king we go up on battlefield with him so Selassie, raise him right, peel lightning and top. All ballin' off the bow in front of every.
Never. Oh, you talk about your bad blood clot sound. Hey, let me tell you something. When you're bad sound, you play a blood clot artist like them youth here.
Tell them say if we don't have a fucking car to shoot up the ends, we stroll by on a fucking scooter.
Bad sound, you play a bad artist.
Cause the blood clot best.
Tell them say budubai, burn them. If you're this city, eat your skin. Burn them, me gun. Now like the gully name. Burn them. You got from Germany, me use and murder many men. Any man the bar rotten, I feel return them.
Level. Me can't play that rhythm here. Like how we play the hammer mouth, that's taking off a blood clot play gangster.
Real city. Hey, there are lots of songs in life. Some that you may not like. Could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your heads, my brothers, and be conscious, my sisters. In by your works, he shall surely get paid.
A 5 round of music, I send them.
Oh, I never tried this to solve me deep.
Tonight for Rasta.
Oh yeah, now.
Tonight for Rasta.
City eating my the champion sound.
Oh no, give me away, make a kill the pussy. Give me away.
Them a go dead in a the sound clash. A city eat him a go win that. Better style. Them a go dead in a the sound clash. Watch it. A city eat him a go kill that. Better style. So watch it pretty good.
Never. Look, I tell you something. You know how long me they are fighting my blood clot sound. Some boy thought this and blood clot that. Because tell me this bomb clot.
No followers. Fighting for all our life. All our choices no right, cause we no perfect, we no flaws, we no cry.
Maverick!
You can call it sacrifice. Man just want to see mama nice. One got the kids.
Level. We know that boy a GPS. We know where he live. We know where he walk. In a woman, in the woods in blood clot live. Same home bomb clotless.
The man's right. Only for blood, only for spin shell.
Fraud Rasta, I tell you.
Them not tell nobody that a lies pussy tappy nice. Hard cold like happy eyes. Could the shot his eyes. And your grape man a jumping night. Better watch it hyper. Can the city eat with your pussy appetite. We pull up and a knock it right at the traffic light. Brawling.
Level. Oh, you say you're bad sound. I don't play them simple bad song, yeah. Gangsta kill him.
Hey, city eat sound. Give them a clip full. Out of the matic. Clap them like a rifle. Mix with a shot, hear some sound boy. Love the watch you chat you like a peeping time a mix. With a motor massy city eat the original. No carbon copy. Can't mix up bad man sound with some clapping.
Level. He win a 1 round, okay. We don't want it to seem bias. You understand what I say? Don't want him forward back and talk about say, oh, I don't want my friend them there and all kind of fuck with. But I tell you this, you see the last one they just play this we know.
Anyway, hey, the clash is mine. Me know them bad mind from ever since. Everybody know them grudges are so near for them things. But I got you for we songs them we spin. Gangsta for life. City eat son, ever strong.
Level. You might run out and play some killer. Brother, load the killer something. Because the warrior, he now got blood clot down a 5 round.
Yo, Dada, pull it up in the bladder socks. One time, Mikey.
It not done until him dead. He must be dead.
Well, start war and believe it to the done, it now go done. Send for your ammunition and gun. Then this city, them like the shot a ground son. Them get to me side last son. Me mad, me kill for fun. Why start war now a ball out the peace? Me rise up the gun, name the mark of the beast. Gunshot to make them make the circle to the east. Them send them
Level. Now go play one Rasta DJ. Oh, you say you're a Rasta DJ and now play the Rasta man. Yeah. It's a hype Rasta, but guess what?
Lord. If a pussy want test, I tell that fi try. None beat a try like a fail me boy. This city eat and make me fans cry. Anyway, the wind fi come from a try them. If you no want sound for that door, you no say the word.
Level. Hold on there. He say my young sound. And I bright and I try to play some old song, you know, play them blood clot right.
Cause you know this a murder clash.
wash. City heat give a sound boy. Inna this a rumble jumble clash. Whoa. Hey, city heat him a launch he attack. This a murder clash. And tonight sound boy I get hoof cuff. Inna this a rumble jumble clash. Whoa. Champion sound we are hard not for crap.
Level. Imala talk about say. Me not on a song. So what me a play? I must blood clot sing me a play. And I sang this.
Lucian and great. What is the warrior king? So let's send a good tidings we bring. Come on way.
But me not on a song. A 2 round me just play a phone up. 2 round a blood clot song. And I sing this a song. Rasta boy.
So why don't they slow down?
Oh!
City heat is the greatest.
How much bad song we play phone all night? Ask him.
How can you be so ungrateful after all? City heats I play for you, I say.
Him play one little E that blood clot custom. We can tell about the Rasta life. We can tell about his life.
Hey. Watch it.
I can tell about Jamaica life. Listen.
Well, I know Jamaica one that make me so no one. Badang bang bang. All ready figure kill Jamaica one. Put up your.
I can tell about his life. Listen.
Hear me? Cause we no matter who is them, no matter where them come from. I talk about Rasta man and still a 8 comma. No like the curry goat about him say him like the rama. No come a dance, come ramp for the general Dana. We broke off your foot and we pop off your honor.
Boy, you play your super cat today, see I'm gonna kill you with a junior cat boy.
No cat five on the white.
Bounty killer, kill him.
One to these fools, Jason sucks. The man called Dan Dada. Black boy, hey yo, gangsta, clock burn pen. Made the blood clock burn them. Canada, Miami, Jamaica, worldwide.
Dappa, how many times stay punctuality is the key?
Me sing, now one your name stainless. It eat them pop it out and leave the whole of them brainless. Underestimate fool to me, no cause them nameless. Say they are the copy.
Never. He might try play a new song. Me not cussing new song, you know. Me a run them blood clot out. Oh, me a kill Jamaica one tonight. This is Governor.
City sound.
Oh, me a shoot him tonight.
Your father the boss. Deal them with the finger on the trigger, with the gun in the pocket. Anything you bout to make fast. You used to wonder when I'm at you happy from you see them like your son spirit get cross. See you when you day and you when them a make talk. Hungry birthday friend come sell them for your breakfast. Figure what them energy you throw we meds off.
Me say me a run out the new song them.
Can be Canada.
Who they are?
City it's on.
Black boy see a song ya. Me a what?
City you a dance on new topic. Pink wall, daydream, new topics. Well, let them attack, but it better you go get a kiss. City it's on.
I stay.
100 milli, 1,000 silly. Sell them lucky place, but we stole them city. Never left the gun, yeah, we rollin' with it. Drop a couple.
Level. A 5 round a song on our get. The rest of it there.
Turn the gun on them. City, them a go tired fi see your face. Don't get out, cause you know in no race. Them a chat behind your back, it never put them nowhere. Why think
you can't kill me with Bunty, tell him.
City, the boy bright and face, they and out a harder. Say my murder city, eat and play Bunty killer.
Never.
Him out I mind him a madman, never.
Bunty, kill him.
Burn in Miami, say what your speech and your words, what you say. Killer is here, city heat sound well. Each man them a congregation.
Me awa.
A whole time style fi hold a man and scalping. This a city, tell them we don't fear no man. Big 45 make out a blue steel lion. Murder cowboy and killing beyond. Bandolero, you my friend. The boss Mexican. Hey, all the clash was won. And when it begun, a city heat them sound. Me never see some jump on. Where them come from a child days wicked man. The city heat them grinded. We sung.
All people
tell me all the while.
All people say
If you test city heat, you will get thrown down. We like the city, we run the place, yes. City heat run the town. A sound boy want come test the plate.
Level. Jah Mikey one. You talk about Rasta this and Rasta sound that. You no build no sound, it's a little Danny blood clot also bill.
Yeah. Tonight, that one your name sound boy. Your kingdom is falling. Judgment, the sound boy. Your queendom.
Never. No, in a real life, you don't even know. You look like Bin Laden. You look like one of them terrorists there. But me say you look like the fraud blood clot Rastafari Almanac. Kill him!
Man, you know what you splice. Alright, mother. Kill him! I splice now, they must play. Hey, let me tell you this. We're not
fraud Rasta!
From your cigar carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. Everybody knows a city eater the champion. And no little jump on. When me see clear down in a revelation.
They have to kill the Rasta boy tonight. They don't rent a trend.
Well, city eat them ready for don't fuss it. When they did them no affair. Power dubs and nobody. City eat no gun coffee. Rock him and get the shot it. Turn over the rotty. Them can beg me fi stop it. I got down me authority crowd. Don't fuss it. Hey me beat me no affair. Power gun some nobody. City heat no gun coffee.
You might try to tell the one which song me I go play. You get blood clot trick tonight.
All trick. Thing this guy preaching. Couple shot reach him. And him dead. There is nobody in this world to accept him. City them kill him. And then said gunshot a back on the knee.
You might call that big up the promoter. The promoter fretting a blood clot. Earlier on you wouldn't even forward. You wouldn't even show up. Me see all them woman out the door. I said the first time she go see him live a blood clot play. You wicked to your woman, brother. And the wrong night she pick for see your life because you got dead. Sang.
How would them a ramp way? How would them a ramp way? I can't city heat. Make them know them. Say them about Sunside City eat and take fences. Them scare when them hear the siren the ambulances. Big up all original gangster, no ends his personality. Boss it in every instances. Keep clocking them, watching them through my lenses. With tallying out some pussies who we do not keep friends with. This daddy sucks, you find your body in a trenches. Cause Dandada no left him sixpences. Just like we, city heat. Them pussy they can't juggle like a we. Them say we bother them, but shut them no bother we.
The winter trend now get a loophole we jump through tonight.
Murder sound boy for less than cornbread. City heat. We put gunshot
tonight.
Anyway, this the boy them a try this. We want box but him miss we. Want take we lick cat never. Oh Lord God we wish we. Shatter the off it this way. Loaded matic fi make it burst. One of them try fist we.
That shit
piss we. Look like them warrant us. Now me see them get tipsy. Go straight like gypsy. City eat buck them pandit. Out of we matic let them up.
Song gangster.
Murder sound tonight, my God, city eater. Kill town boy tonight, oh God, city eater. Killer sound tonight, my God, city eater. Murder.
My word of partial, you must stand up.
God, I say there ain't gonna be no fucks.
Alright.
But the show gonna be a fight. The place by the box, and everything is alright. City eater, the control tower. Sound boy.
Pick up your classic food now.
No, your sound just won't do.
Classic.
Oh, you think your sound will do, but city heat sound will kill you. You're crazy.
See me what I do, I try to give me heal. If you don't want to hear from you, boy.
Yes, it.
You don't want to hear from you.
Tell them, so out your mom, where with the hypocrite, city, tell them. And we energy them can't join with them hypocrite, Dandada if you tell them, no one see we win, you can't see we fail. Can't say city got jail. Tell them where with them hypocrite City it's on. Well watch out then, in a matter, give them.
Oh, why you say same only Rasta life? We can tell you what kind of blood clot life me I live.
Sucks up the book.
You know my scare
What kind of life me I live?
You fuck foreign, fuck up yard. City eat sound, live like a job. Yeah. Now hear me, rough up for it, fuck up yard. City eat sound, living like a jug lord. Like we mad bit, so the angle for me gun broad. City eat sound, living like a jug lord. Heavy down yard.
6 pack in there, that's song now.
Father the boss, Jason, Sax, Dandada, Nikos, Black Boy,
I done sin, my father them. I them for when I real life in a city heat. When I reach real. City heat. You rich a fucker, you no capping on my dog. Bag of money make you live in a father. You know the game like you a do it from your banner. You never have nothing, no the banger make you have. Everything dark from your heart when you play the sound. I fuck around and 100K you bring that 10 mil a week a simple thing for him. Cause them no rich like city.
I tell us something, brother, in a real life. Me no business what you want though. It can't be that sound tonight.
Can't broke to them.
Can't be that sound tonight.
City eat money talk for them, them borrow. Them buy out 3 iron people for dead a man in them bomber. Them lift up circle, 3 of the clock.
Oh, it's there.
City eat a free.
Them there, yeah.
A top scam a grab card.
What me I use and kill him tonight?
Oh, I feel it now. Yeah, yeah.
What me I use and kill him tonight?
Yeah. City eat some.
Tell them.
17 shooter Ruger full of bass steel. One man walk man a make a shot. Me man a dog where you free me.
You do all this.
I city eat run the world. Some pussy must run a campus. Them don't know say a channel run the street from the shower to the pain.
The party of him.
City eat. Tell them. Fat shot, fat 40. She got work, me not have clarity.
Hey boy.
With them.
Me not stop till me kill you tonight.
City eat a beat it up till the bang bang, till the bang bang, till the bang bang. Beat it up till the bang bang, till the bang bang, till the bang bang. Pass it up till the bang bang, till the bang bang, till the bang bang. Bust it up till the bang bang, till the bang. City eat and make them power. The gun we find a him a bust a long gun. Tell them something move from your sabbat, come no one gun. Come fin one or two gun, I fin one or three gun. This a city eat gun could never be. So we have.
Can we play one song right now? It belong to me and me alone. You play some song where everybody else can play. See that song?
Come on,
bro.
City eat the way you bad. Them can't find no answer for you. Answer for you. Can't find no answer for you. But you weed, but them can't set no cancer for you. No dub plate bill, them can't sponsor for you. Sponsor for who? No sound, no sponsor for you. A girl alone can't sponsor for you. Them alone pull up and pull down pants off for you. And them alone a swing down them pants off for you.
Get it, Glen boy. Hey yo, one time father, motherfucking niggas, you know we go harder. The man called Sacks. Then letter, Chase.
And the last one.
Black boy.
And our message.
Black boy. City murder them blood clot. Tell them the one your name blood clot.
Touch. Rasta boy, you frozen, brother. Rasta boy, you frozen, brother. In a real life.
Now hold on, no man. Yeah, man. Third round. Second round of voting, but we don't vote yet. Sax started. Jah Mikey wanna finish it, but here what? Daddy Sax in a handicap. I don't wanna take up the time. So when your time done, just pass the mic to Jah Mikey one. I don't need to be here taking up time. You understand? Jah Mikey one. Jah Kingdom come down. Patrick Ewing want a company. That's Patrick Ewing from Waggy T Movements. You're not healing from night. It don't look good. You're a guest in our towns. Heal up Patrick Ewing.
Yo, I thought this was Daddy Sax. Rasclad. Dappa, you talk too much. It's my time now, though. I can't believe City Heat. You fly me here, you pay me, and then you play the same set of fucking song you play in every Bumbleclad dance. I'm disappointed. I swear. All who say City boring, just say boring. Now I want to welcome, there's about the same amount of people inside, outside right now. I burn beer, weed, and chalice. So we want to say, split break, chalice over. Welcome everyone forward inside. Fire, you tell everyone, I'm going to play now. So yeah, smoke break over, you know. All night, you not have no argument. You play the same set of song. But the next worst thing, I'm not having no Bumbleclad argument all night. Yo, fake Rasta, yo, how you this Rasta? You not like reggae music? You must not love reggae music or how you this Rasta. We are see right now in this pussy clot, all who want to see Rasta kill City, say kill them. Thank you.
I hear the voice of Jah Mikey one say, son boy, I go dead in another dance tonight.
Mega, big up yourself, trendsetter artist.
Go dead tonight.
Him are got dead, right? All who say him dead, say dead. Him not have no links. Remember me say, once me win, I'm going to move to southern Florida. Yesterday, I went to a place called Hollandale to a studio called Train Line to link my brethren named Anthony B, and we voice this song.
Coast to coast. Tonight in a Cliff restaurant and lounge. Tell them if them live in a glass house, don't throw stone. Jah Mikey one comfy killer. You daddy socks, you're worthless. Jah Mikey one pop off a dub plate and chop them up like cutlass. But your name City Eat, idiot sound boy, you can't touch this. Some sound boy, I try everything. Them have them traps set up. Them traps set up. And them plan is a one brother to hate the other brother and slay him so Babylon can crush his cup. Listen. But tonight, City Eat, you are gonna realize. Clash with Jah Mikey one, that no wise the plate and cut you down to size. We learn that this axe cramp and paralyze. You see it? Them sound boy, they a fool. We take them back to school. Show them Jah Mikey one rule. Remember man, a Rasta man, no boy can ride me like mule. We love them in.
Listen to my brethren, Anthony B.
Yeah, Jah Mikey one a champion. We no fear no man. We no matter where them come from. That dub plate yeah, is a real bomb. Big murder.
You played one custom, listen to mine.
We show put no hand and sing this song. Jah Mikey one say, tonight City Eat a get murder. That the socks, you no see the clash over. Oh, yo, you better run for cover. Jah Mikey wanna play how we say.
Yo, all who say I'm dead, say dead. Bumbleclad Daddy Socks, you're worthless. Him play one Marley named Kamani, big up Kamani, and then play that song. Every sound in here have that fucking song. Daddy Socks, you're worthless, no fuck. I'm gonna play one of my songs. A Kamani Big Brother. And me alone have it. All night them diss me and say me a fake Rasta. Listen, if me a fake Rasta, Daddy Socks, you know you.
Yeah! Jah Mikey one sound, Lionheart sound. Steve the Ragamuffin Marley said that. Hear that?
He play one early B. Me not play no Rasta song yet.
Chase those crazy, chase those crazy sound boy. Chase those crazy sound boy out of town.
City Daddy Socks, you're dead.
Jah Mikey sound build the cabin. Rasta man sound plan the car.
How you got this Rasta for the whole night? Yo, Prezi, him not have no song. That pussy, him not have no speech. Daddy Socks, you not even own that sound.
Come and say so, no absence. I did select how they behind it. Stand your home. So no absence. I did select how they behind it. Hear this. Jah Mikey one so they want it. Fit.
Him say me molly pussy me day at work. Fit. When the boss for city call me and him send me the money, you know what he told me upon the phone?
Jah Mikey one, oh, won't you kill the sound for me? Remove them out of the dance hall, everyone will all agree. Too long we've been a slave, they want to be no more. And I won't be a stranger than to be loved.
Daddy Socks, you spend money upon custom, but it not work. Listen.
Hear me now. And posted this Bumbleclad Mikey one, then he's dead.
Him say me not have no talent, but me bad in a real life. Me not have to say no.
We know how to spend a dime for kill a sound. Mikey wanna run the town. Believe me, shoot them and make people gather round. With the Bumbleclad home and brown, them a dream me. But I feed them funeral because a Mikey a legend.
They play the same set of songs, you see City Eat.
Violate sound one. We kill them and collect the medal. We kill sound easily. Mikey kill sound easily.
In between that break, I was outside smoking weed the whole fucking time. And Jason came up to me, the owner for City Heat, and he said, John O'Star, me feel like Daddy Socks, if him lose that dance, me have to fire him off of City Heat. You know what me say?
Hey, worries and problems. Mikey wanna murder sound right tonight. No matter how some sound I'm gonna write. I said they must lose their life. Worries and problems. Mikey wanna murder sound right tonight. No matter how some sound I'm gonna write.
Me not want to play artist war. Me just want to play my sound.
Yeah. As far as my eyes can
40 years in the business and you don't have no different fucking song. You only have 3 set around song. I can't believe. You see, we roll out my machine by myself. We play with sound, we do with thing. And the pussy this way.
California champion sound and we're already.
I don't need a selector. I am the owner. You see the difference between me and the pussy them?
Hold on there. All me need a thing full and get a bad driver. Then shell a spin, shell a man a drop like what? Top striker. Jah Mikey man, hold on, and me gon' clot it. Swear to God that don't care. Bad inna them place, them no bad round near. 32 in on the clip, every cop and coin share.
Yeah, Daddy Sax, you not get no pussy clap forward. All night they play the artist, but him not play him like we.
You know me find out what them a deal with. Me find out say a war them want. Copper shot them a go get. War them want.
You a talk about mercy, pussy.
Get. Them say we are them enemy. That's nice. Say Mikey, I wanna be that ain't right. Stop player hating me for.
You see you Daddy Sax.
Enough sound boy, I go like that shown ya. Just show them no, say ya them way.
The artist live off for the batty boy.
I'm sorry now. Alright, I know we come for make the dance all sweet. That's some song clear tune already. Come back, repeat it. Who the crowd want, who the boy they fi beat it. Big bad rhythm and I know if we mix it. Can't even move a crowd.
Yo, City!
Kill a sound boy. Kill a sound boy. Jah Mikey one sound, we a go kill a sound.
You not play no simple song, batty boy.
Tell them this.
Boom, what this? What that Jah Mikey want? It a clap. Boom, what this? What that Jah Mikey?
All night them talk about bounty, but them not play no different bounty. You see me killer them?
Well. How we load up with ups, them figure gun them down. Me gonna bust every them a fire surround. The boy them seem hopeless in a war, them can't progress. Jah Mikey wanna done them in town. You know we
find out Daddy Sax, you not bad, you a pussy in a real life.
See you not survive. I hell know them buck with Jah Mikey want it. Done the pussy them from 95. Anytime. Son boy this them have a feel the 9. Police out the road say them a fight crime.
We say anytime the pussy them dead. If them want to pay me for a rematch tomorrow, me I'll kill them same way with different pussy clad song. Them can't play no exclusive rhythm. You see that rhythm? And me alone have it. They build right here on 26 in Bumbleclot Hay Street. Just listen. If you love dancer, you know that rhythm there. A True Keys build this and Link K put in same day and voice this.
Killing you.
Me alone have that rhythm there.
Jah Mikey wanna kill them out from the
listen.
Number 2. That's why we take the clash. Whoa, always keep the fire burning. Jah Mikey take the clash.
That is Sax, you see you.
Me say that when them name burn out the chichi, burn out the city. But see them have cannot suck too much pussy. Burn out the chichi, burn out the city. You know see them a deal with too much in it.
A Link K put in Kasha Park and voice the same day that rhythm build in a real life. One take, listen up, Prophet.
Well, no for them go get a coat, crack out, rock out, stack out, flop out, mat out, cat out, sat out, flat out, what out.
All night Daddy Sax, you say you're the baddest, you see you in a real life.
Hey, Chuck, badness, Jah Mikey hold him and fuck him up. Badness, long time we tell him say fi give it up. Badness, still the boy never want to live it up. Jah Mikey,
him say you bad though.
Badness, Jah Mikey hold him and bun him up. Badness, long time we tell him say fi give it up.
Him say you bad though.
Live it up, Jah Mikey wanna figure bumble class. Say them a bad sound, but them a bad sound fi ooh. Say them a wicked sound, but them a wicked sound fi ooh. Say them a warrior, but them a warrior fi ooh. Jah Mikey wanna go play number 2. Say them a bad sound, but them.
Me swear to God, me see better than Daddy Sax. Last time me clash, me beat Jimmy Spliff and Ajax at the same fucking time. Pussy, you not bad. Your badness now worth a Volvo class cent.
Hey boy, you ever be like a shot out of 1 cent? You know Jah Mikey one son a war president. Make one pop out a bicycle bar yet. Make a sound boy run left them carrot. You ever rub out a serial number? When you little make gun out a lumber. You ever heil gun with my
Pussy, you can't put some on rhythm. You see we say me now win the clash, but listen.
Yeah, me throw down. Jah Mikey we a champion. One done hardcore like London. Make a look in we brain, take a cat scan. Jah Mikey one. A the California champion. Jah Mikey undefeated. We know them can't defeat with. Jah Mikey one son undefeated.
Some people said I was crazy to come here in Southern Florida and clash City Heat. But me never frightened, you know what we tell them?
Pussy want to say, tell that fi try. Nothing beat a try like a failure, me boy. This Jah Mikey one a make me fans cry. Anyway, the wind fi come from apply them man. If you no want sound fi the door.
Uno said,
Jah Mikey make you look come up.
Listen, him named Sax. You could have named yourself Bumbleclot Gideon Boot. You could have named yourself Bumbleclot War Boot. You named yourself Dirty Bumbleclot Socks. You see this? This is just a regular fucking Nike. Over there, that is a Bumbleclot Dirty Socks. You see the difference?
Jah Mikey one, them no bother down with blood clot shoes. Some of the combative boy ready for start pay them shoes. Them girls against Jah Mikey one, them blood clot lose. Them mama sing the blues. Them talk about anything like this a secret of the booze. Me in a one blood clot mood. Me cross again, me dark again. Them get Mikey rude. No fish, no forgot, no monster, no dude. Can't heat me food like the black eye. Jah Mikey one, me crude. Well, man a killer from then killer from well. Killer with the Uzi intro take with the mob. Then Jah Mikey one, no big friend.
Empty the clip on.
It's the AK with the clip extend. Empty the clip and the pussy them. I'm on top up, we have to give them with.
Dappa, that round done. Me feel like leave that round early. You know why? Daddy Socks, your girlfriend, your girl, you know what she tell me?
My God, you know bad like we.
Dappa, how much time you have? Dappa, how much time you have? Rasclad. Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna. Yo, but I fucked up. I swear. Just present me fuck up. Me want to fix my mistake. You hear what I say, right? I say, Daddy Socks. You know what them girlfriend tell me? But before me play that, girl, yeah, you know what she tell me?
She called and told me not to come my phone. She called and told me that she need me out. She called and told me that she need my time.
Yo, me round done.
I don't want no more sound for coming around. She called and told me that you come my phone. She called and told me that you need me out. She called and told me that she need my town. Red hot. So she called me on the phone line. Say she want me sing a punchline. She said she am my sunshine.
All who say me win the clash say win. Daddy Socks, you're worthless no fuck, but it's alright. We're not done. What you say? Dappa, you want me to play the rest of the night? No problem. No problem.
I'm gonna see how Jah Eric.
Him try to put some new artists on some old rhythm, but him can't do it like we.
Badness can't done. Big badness can't done. Be a shot up by your posse dub money run. Yeah, I saw it with no punk 4-5 on the front seat, K9 chunk. Jah Mikey one, rifle they up front, step up I'm 6'2", cutty belly like run. A brawling in nice sun, boy body lie down, badness can't pass. Every gun they out of that.
We say we are featuring some new artists on some old rhythm just to show how we can voice some song better than a pussy them.
Yeah. I'm gonna say how Jah Mikey one song.
But we're forward from the West Coast. Make we play some Wild West rhythm.
You know man, them not about no shots.
You see we?
Jah Mikey one. Them not kill nobody. Not kill nobody.
All who say city dead, say dead.
Jah Mikey one song. They don't want to think of man. Some boy just bad with them friend up his story. Not kill nobody. Never make black rain fall. Jah Mikey one sound, you whiny where we go, we have be a gun round we.
Socks, you not bad in a real life, you're a pussy in a real life.
A crew heaver, two heaver. Jah Mikey one, love shoot people. Yeah man, him love shoot people. He said, Jah Mikey one, shoot people. Jamaica one.
Listen.
Shoot some pussy. We a pre be bad for do with 6 pants and Uzi. Rifle full them up a bullet skin about no cooking. Jamaica shoot you for you shoot him from them roll a fury. I just be about the same should be them and the key a boogie. Them gun play acoustic grenade been pulling was than the Navy in the movies when them raise it all fi eliminate the apps and goofy in that tongue.
This name coast to coast. Me I represent the West. The pussy now do none to represent Florida boy or the East boy.
Are we showing them fucking clevies down? Now no mercy. I said a riding way.
Are we forward from California? Make we tell the pussy why.
Well, how the West was won and how it begun. Jamaica one sound me never see some jump on. How where them come from I tried.
Socks, you never leave Florida, you see we.
Dead. How the West was won and how it begun. Jamaica one sound me never see some jump on. Where them come from I tried this wicked man. This
you see we.
Pointed. Well, me riding through the desert, me riding well mean. Me no left me Winchester water in me canteen. Close look, dirty smell, mess up, look mean. Up on Mikey, the waves and barrel lean. Any figure where we see a gunplay on the scene. Indian, come down from all tribes.
Remember, City Eat our own sound. Socks, you are old man for we. This song released 1970, the same year Daddy Socks graduate from high school. Make we use it and kill him.
Yeah. Wow, 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 yeah. Wow, 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 wow.
You know no song.
No one didn't tell me Jamaica kill a leading song.
Big up everyone we know say your heart clean. Dirty Socks, your heart dirty like your bumbo clap foot. You have the baddest foot odor. That alone you a bad boy.
See? Countryman song. California champion song.
Him play any bad song like this. Yeah. All night him call me fake Ross. Make me tell the pussy in a real life.
You see Jamaica face, but they down Caesar. You see Jamaica face, but they down no stars. Everywhere you go, a son I run up them mouth.
You don't have no fucking speech. Me can't believe. You know speech no cost money. One thing if you not want to play no new song, but speech no cost money, pussy, and you not have none.
You hear that?
You see them?
Old pan bangarang.
Dappa, me not play no more. Me done for the fucking night, I swear.
Old pan bangarang. Aye. Pack up your whole pan bangarang. Pack up your whole pan bangarang. Jamaica wants to run the session. And we are the champion.
All who say I'm dead and me lead the whole night say dead. Me not play no more Dappa. 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 Look on Daddy Socks. Look on Daddy Socks.
Jamaica one sound.
Daddy Socks. Walk on, Bridget. Daddy Socks. Walk on. You sleep? Look on Daddy Socks.
Them done dead already. Them done dead already. So why you done dead already? From the mark to the cemetery. Whoa, enough sound wise they done go.
Me feel like deal with something.
Them sound wise for, sound wise for.
Him a try this way. Him not try. Him this Rasta all night. Then him play. I told you he's gonna play an early beat, though. And him try this up Rasta like Rasta have one song. You want me kill it? An early beat, though. That's an early beat. I don't have my mouth. But him. Can I kill it, please? Make we play a Rasta song and kill Daddy Socks. You know have this?
Pick up all the ganja man them. Fred Accessor. Jah call upon the champion sound to kill a jump and sound.
I'm a young sound. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I thought it was early beat.
Cause Jamaica one sound, a big sound.
We love Rastafari. We love this music and we love Sound Clash. This is Fred Locks. Make we use it, kill City.
Oh yeah. So just say Jamaica don't work for no CIA.
So just say, Patrick, you in no longer work for you, I get it. Pussy, I tell you, pussy a long time, I want to kick in your bum buckler. Sorry, people, sometimes, watch me, sometimes I get out of orders. It's Patrick Ewan. It's all right. It's Patrick Ewan. Everything good. Me wanna know. And me tell you no. Me not a horse in the race. I don't care who goes school and Norland with me. I don't care who they are Los Angeles with me. Come on, Jah Mikey one from over there, so that's not what this is about tonight. So, second voting round, 20 minutes. All who say City Eat, win the round, they put your hands in the air. When I fuck with all who say Jah Mikey won, take the second voting round, put your hands in the air. Me no bias, but me still a say when I fuck with. And I could have make it look little closer than that. But it not over. It Maverick, move from here, sir. Bomb buckler, you think I don't play execution this. Go! Kino, over there, sir. In your blood clot fake diamond choker. Go! Over there, sir. No, bro. Whoa. March 16th. Justice. Rhythm Force. King Adis. Right on, yes, sir. Hardcore juggling till the morning. Sadis. Me no want them call me, but alright. Jah Mikey one. Well, what Jah Mikey there? Come, I don't want him send me a try style him. Jah Mikey one. Jah Mikey two. City Eat. This is it. But make we see what go on in the morning, because sound clash no go so. A man will have little ammunition and go so. And ear out the place with the AK. And a man just lie down and wait for them shot them run out and bust a little 45. Pop. Knock out your blood clot teeth. We have got 15 minutes. No! All the time stay, brother. Let me see what I go on, car. Yeah, man. Hey, City at 3:30 now. On up till 3:45. City 8.
15 blood clot minute of straight killing. You want to talk about me now no speech? The one named Song of a Blood Clot Kill. Play a gangster.
Whoa. Yes.
A 15 blood clot minute. How me I do it now?
Yeah. City 8 killing sound a big way different. And City Eat murdering sound a big way different.
Song gangster.
Jack Crow and all the Cockburn Pet. Big up. Original sound play, original artist. City
Eat. Bex got the tune earth, fraud, blood clot, Rasta.
You cannot find a song to kill.
Hey, I big up all of the Rasta people over there. I mean, not listen to him, me a blood clot this. Listen.
This is City.
You try to turn the rest of them against me.
City Eat sound is a dancehall star, and City Eat sound is a murderation sound. City Eat kill sound in every way.
Level, no making trick no, and the rest of that, him don't even have on a proper turban to blood clot. Kill him.
They might try use them brains. Oh gosh, I sound a try use them brains. One City Eat.
On the Rasta that.
Use your brain.
Rastitude.
Oh, it's a shame I sound feeling pain. Oh, it's a shame I sound feeling.
What them gonna do?
Come to City Eat, now them gone down the drain. Come to city heat, now them count down the tray. City heat just I use the plate and I mash up them bread.
You can go on with two and hold it pussy hole. Kill him.
Original rude boy singer, Lincoln Sugar Miner, step up. Now some boy are early face setters, but that's the journey.
Because you win two little leader round.
Now some
you think the clash done.
We work at
tell him.
But them a won't like, a them alone run things. But it not go work. So them a won't like, a them alone run things.
Son gangster.
I was saying, city heat murder sound punk, them must sit junk. Them dead. Sound boy, what you gon', what you gon', what you gonna do? When city heat sound murder you and your crew, there is nothing you can do. Tell me,
what you gonna do? Song me a play for kill. Hey boy.
Sound boy, what you gonna do? When city heat sound murder you?
The one you know.
Ha la la long, rifle run out pan them. Tell them city heat. Ha la la long, rifle run.
Listen to message, listen.
Standing inside the dance, them a run off the mouth and a brag.
Oh.
City heat sound, I go chat and waste time. We a go beat them bad. We don't blink them start get confused. Select a star.
No, I don't realize Jah Mikey wanna play some little simple song. A big song I play right now. Kill him gangster. A big song I play right now. In and not bigger than this.
Watch this.
Maxi Breeze.
This is city heat sound. With a doctor to shut you down. Joker sound, you better pack up and leave.
Mix with song gangster.
Someone got to die. You say you're hurting on cause city heat is killing your sound. You just can't take it anymore. Sound clash is no good for you, and in your heart you know it's true. City heat I kill your sound for sure. You must be a fool to try and test city heat sound. Cause you know there's only one way for you now. Just another sound clash killing.
Alright, that's ended no gangster.
City heat, biggest bumbo clad son.
Right, that's so. Guess what? Guess what?
No say them no want, so them no want. Thump on our face, but the sound them can't. Me kill all of them, yeah. Me shoot to Jah. Father, the level.
If I play one song about man hold him and fuck him. No brother, me now hold no man and fuck no man a blood clot. Bullet.
Sound killing me them pan blood spilling me them. That from sound for dead. City heat bust me weapon. Sound killing me them pan blood spilling me them pan. From sound for dead. City heat. Okay, that's we rolling around the place. Automatic and hold on round the place. But I don't like you.
You see me, Daddy Sax. You're born for this. Remember.
City.
Remember.
Yeah. I said this scheme set we see 16 and I reach 15. Yeah.
Chronic bumbo clot la.
Never no movie I make me see real blood. There's some around flesh. I me see dog and cat turn rat. Me see man I use and I try stop gunshot. Family stop, family lungs puncher. City it's on. Me lose now things, me nah get it back. Me feel empty, me heart heavy. That the one know if me strap, me can't tell him.
Sagging I morning no gangster.
City 8. You understand how some pussy I try what them a do? You know man.
Massacre.
You know. Badness, you know.
Tell her what me stay.
Kill quick, yo, kill quick. Just left the doctor, me head still sick.
Hey, City eat.
Hey, dan dada. Hey, pim pim, founder the boss. Boom. Man a drop in night or don't tell you it's a song gas in night.
Sang alone a creda.
Stop me, but kick it up and yo,
I know where me go.
Black 40 on your belly, your clatty. When you ready, she dog, she went you ready. How you grateful if thought you will have it? I ain't see a B when you mix with the
what no?
Done us, fucking fool. Stupid fucking boy. City. Hey, move out your way. We are killer son boy today. City.
City.
Jah Mikey one. Yo, yes, your money tonight. Tell him about it.
Hey, when I make a dollar, you have to spin it. You have to turn it around and spin it. Millions in the billing. No one bag of teeth when you see me. Hey, fresh cash. Fresh cash. Father say fresh cash. As you Friday gun.
Walk one no gangster.
Close to them. Look out. Kill them rascals so easy, you see it. In word.
Walk one now.
Personality. You don't kill them already. Son them already. All them a preach and pray. Dan dada say. Them a pussy on the street and we see it. Over there we kill and teach.
You know, don't play.
Oh, you don't play the artist here all night.
City Heat sound, Kilanda vibes. Kilanda vibes.
Oh, you don't play the artist here.
Kilanda vibes, so we Kilanda vibes.
City Heat sound.
Kilanda vibes.
Ready.
This City Heat sound, now you get slaughter. Them forget the NSC, you feel me walk.
Look at that something. I go kill one bounty killer if you go find skin or none.
City Heat. Some boy out a road, them no street smart. When lightning clap, them a quick out.
Go find some killer.
We got tweet for us. Them step to be something off, we beat off. Oh man, alone we call we sweet out.
You better know that.
And make we up.
And the woods they live, brother.
Them boy.
And the woman.
We walk. Them no.
Give me a West Side gangster.
Bong shaking a count and make the skull upset. City, none of them no know and don't set. Back of the class and on a subject. England girl in you be my war of sex. She pop the molly hard, but she not drunk yet. Drift the crown hard and make she get upset. City, yo I'm only on the subject. City,
ready again gangster.
City, so we are papi molly hard when we go down a drive. We are walking kuzu hard and a chop up the line. Two girl in a my bed when we fuck every night. It's a house on the hill, you are prefer go by. Yo youth feel live good and your mommy feel smile. You are running couple leads, couples go live for fine. Under your clearance back.
Your best call, we call a fraud Rasta.
Sax, Dan Dada. Them make me tell you about hilltop badness.
Hi boy!
Hilltop badness.
City Heat there.
Hilltop badness.
What? Shoot up the place now.
Yo, Dan Dada, look how much rifle there you so cool down. The first time me come here, so me say cool gun. If you feel like I am in a yo too much, come up. Yes,
gangster.
Hey man, I go do it.
Shoot him again.
You know the jackins got. Yo, City Heat.
When we leave each other.
I circle them sound, everybody flatter. Mat 90 bus, pull him up a copper. Sound boy brain fly.
Yo, press it, big up.
And all them attack, we don't really matter. Dark rain fall, that a change weather. Sax not something.
We're gonna play one song that belong to me alone.
Bad up, oh.
Cobra.
Tell them, quaff, quang. City Heat, we not take shot from pussy, will sound forget blood clot day. Real gunshot with fire, tell any boy
push up them blood clotted.
A whip selector that a go on like gunshot, afraid of them blood clotted. Use rifle shot, broke jab, one bust forehead. Thing a leak out, be a red. Left boy full up and a need to sink. Bullet in a boy chest bone sink. Bag of fly swam, that's well that stink.
I kill pussy with your blood clot.
Dan Dada, your personality. I want to some blood clot, select a war. Run through every blood.
You play a bounty and now play them right.
Select a floor, gunshot to them cure.
Go!
We not afraid of no boy and we not fear no guy. We unbeatable, go tell a jump and no try. Well if a sound clash, man I kill them soon.
Power!
Say this and you say that now until you say the wrong thing. That's why you say earth for the gun feeling. City pop out in a this sprawling morning. Wings, murder them, in front them.
Power!
Disrespect, that City Heat vex. Who next? Step up in front, me go. If I stick.
We gotta tell us something. Anywhere we go.
Anywhere
we blood clot go.
City Heat man a killer. No need a reason to kill.
Anywhere we go.
We need special season to kill. Some say them a killer, but them ain't got the thrill. To bullet up people and watch them blood spill. Killer, no delay, I pass to kill. All without reason and cause me still kill. Some say them a killer, them a painkiller pill. Hawks 90s and Bushwick Bill. Well, if you not see me, you kill me, I meditate war. To a sound boy, I have to dedicate war.
Level.
Bombs and bullet coming, no dedicate scar shot.
Yes, brother.
Face them 8 pennies.
If you want to play City Heat, yes, some real bumper club bad artists like them, yeah.
Let me tell boy, man. Yeah.
Be we ain't kill him.
Instant. You want to tell him now, City?
Watch it, where you want that, where you want that. Please watch it, where you want that, where you want that. Better go down.
Hey, listen, baby, we in a 6-pack. Listen one. Listen one.
Yes, but cause me a original to a quick fish at City Heat.
Baby, we in again. Blood killer. I don't wanna. All right then, come on.
Well, killer sound, killer sound.
Who you go?
Killer sound.
Don't want no regular with a classic.
Killer sound.
What me do?
It's new. For you know where the sound them kill.
Post all attack. Anything at all that can there will be used against the post all.
Son! Me have your way.
Put up your finger and show the gun mark. And the bad boy will follow city. Them me attack. Your finger. Show them the gun mark. The bad boy will put on myself. A bad boy run this square. You know the black and up. You know kill and miscast.
Them baby win a different brother. And a regular baby win them.
We are one borderline. The pussy can't pass. I hell a powder house. We are no sound man not talk. Any time we buck up well at that time it start. Any hour any fear.
Country boy see your blood class song ya.
Where I come a bad man. Where we come from? People in the one. City tell them how. We kill a sound in the morning, kill a sound in the evening, kill a sound at that supper time.
Who they are?
Kill them when we lonely, yeah, we kill them when we weary, and we kill them when we feeling. Thank God to let them is a dead blood clot and a dead bumper clot. Dead pussy clot and a dead Rasta clot. Me tell a dead blood clot and a dead bumper. Dead pussy clot and a dead Rasta. I got suck out your mother, Emma blood clot. Talking.
Run them gangsters.
One. Men don't listen to the dance. City tell
Danger!
You to the ready for your reading session at City Eat from the border.
Bumbo was sound. You to know where you want Buju from the 90s?
And a sound can't go to King City in town.
Mr. Buju from the 90s.
Okay, here we. Sound for dead. City Eat not save no lead. Gunshot we bust up in a party boy and sound for dead. City Eat not save no lead. Gunshot we bust up in a sound boy. Get them back here. Hear what?
Me and them all a voice what that Kia Britannia. That one a voice 1990 blood class 7. Listen this.
Back machine. Me ball contact, the lip service the part of bad like City. The long time you pop it off. Contact, the lip service the part. How we shoot first and how we draw last. Hands up, boy we have a gun Bangkok. Boy no move because you will get shot. On the line of City Eat run that. The test the border we are gonna pull you up a shot. Do we Robert me shot it shot.
Want to play the rhythm ya? Want to play the rhythm ya?
Long time.
How much sound me kill pinchers?
And the that was the number. City to see the jobbers a glove to ride. Wanted to challenge the sound that is playing. But
the party I'm reached now.
City Eat side. The City Eat. Line up the champion for kill a jump. On double expose and the gun in a young. On fed up at any of the breeze. It a City to enter. Soon as him arrive. Pretend to be a chief from another tribe. His true identity was concealed.
You still play a bounty and now play them right.
It now go wide. Where City Eat. Just pull up in and make the Grenades. Stone too sicker than the might of sound boy. No, say 45 in.
Hold on, the time done already. Jump 15 minutes. Killer.
Long time you're riding on your riding race. Why want to test in your bullet?
That's down, man. That feel like 5 minutes, brother. That feel like 5 minutes, brother.
You know how this thing go. When everything is up, time seems to be running too quick. And when everything is down, time just seems to be like it can't get over. But, hold on. Jah Mikey is your bumbo class. If you don't come from boy, Patrick wants to say that thing. Bumbo class, Patrick, how you reach young this? Hold on, bumbo class, Patrick. Wait, what you say, Patrick? Sorry. Patrick, go in that bumbo class box. You know what I say now? Jah Mikey won. And the Bumbuckler third voting round this. And a year time now. Justice set the Bumbuckler clock.
Yo, Dappa, big up yourself. Prezi, big up yourself. Big up City Heat. Big up Jason, making it possible for real. Yo, me nah lie, City Heat won that round because they won the most people leaving the dance. Rasclot, the dance fucking empty out. You know how many pictures me take? I swear, outside I just beer, weed and chalice and big up everyone outside. We say welcome inside if you want forward. Dappa, I can't believe so many people gone. It's like the start of the dance. Oh, victory round? Not the big, thank you. All who say lock off. From outside. Daddy Socks, I can't believe you don't have no song, you don't have no fucking speech, and the next thing, you don't have no fucking toothbrush.
Step crap. Sting ding ding da ding ding boy. Sting da ding boy.
Make we use some Rasta song and kill the pussy them. Dirty teeth.
Jah Mikey one way kick out your rotten teeth. The teeth can't work.
Welcome everyone forward inside for that victory round. Yo, Dre, fire up your bomber class spliff. Every spliff feel light.
Jah Mikey one way kick out your rotten teeth. The teeth can't work. Jah Mikey one way kick out your...
That is, I mean, Dirty Socks. The artist live for Florida pussy.
Shine eye sound boy. Die little sound boy. Die.
You see them underestimate me.
A shine eye sound can't taste Jah Mikey one sound. Stand a going. A shine eye sound.
I'll be a Rasta song me use and kill the pussy them.
I'm gonna stand there going. See. Stand there going. Stand there going.
We said victory road.
Jah Mikey one's killing your sound. You can't stop that. Jah Mikey one's killing your sound. You can't stop that.
City.
Oh, I can see you fall on the ground, little sound boy.
Dappa, you mess up. The only thing you mess up all night, you say, Patrick, you and Patrick. You. I was here earlier and I watched Daddy Socks in City. He carried this inside. And when them carry this inside, you think that alone them carry? Me rolling by me bumbo class self. You see the whole city? Listen.
They trotting through the dancer with a bag of man. Always in fear of Jah Mikey one. Trotting through the dancer with them idiot dogs.
We say Sunday morning, good morning, Florida.
Demons and Sabbath to the skin teeth. Jah Mikey one sound, kill everything.
One dance all morning.
Make we go to Brooklyn.
One kill sound. Demons.
Listen to that combo, easy killing.
Early. One dance all morning. Mikey one killer sound. And them asking what's his name. He said his name is Mikey one. And he wanted say to be.
Listen.
Another song by the dust. Another song counts of us. Another song by...
Yo, Prezi, you think that alone? Listen to that combo.
Counts of us.
Goodness gracious, no sound no rough, no sound no tougher than Jah Mikey one sound. Mikey one sound, me know it at the number one sound. Jump and not jump and so just see a jump and clown for Mikey.
Murder them. Champion sound. Mikey one man.
They thought they were gonna win easy, but you see right now.
Oh God. Hey. Tonight you gonna dead. Mikey one sound bust off your head. In this tongue, in this tongue.
Once again, I want to big up all the bad sounds from Florida City. You fuck up. You have so many bad sounds from Florida. You could have rematched Innocent. You could have played Waggy T. But instead you pay me for forward tonight. You see why you fuck up?
Wrong fi send come call Jah Mikey one. Them wrong. Wrong fi test Jah Mikey one sound. Them wrong.
Jason, what good?
You never know you must know rum drinker. You only know you must a jump and scatter at the one for the sound. Oh Lord, make the crowd.
Yo, I apologize. You see how them play sound? It fuck up for real. That's how I didn't touch the tempo. It's so fucking low and boring. All who say City boring for the whole night said dead. Him play Junior Demas pussy. You don't know me. It's alright, but don't play Demas for me. I'm a family. Make we introduce where we're forward from.
The man for those straight up yourself. So that's how I got now.
He doesn't have any manners. All night he didn't even represent Florida. You know which part we're forward from?
Is it? Ganja plantation. And this is Mikey sound come from. Jah Mikey one sound. Ganja plantation. Some Mikey sound money come from.
What did I say? I said don't play Demas for me. Earlier he played one song called Susie Wong. All who want me kill that song say kill it. Kill it.
And some big bad double Jah Mikey wanna beat the seat.
You say you know Susie Wong, listen.
Pablo to the demons with Mike in her hand.
Danger. I know those who want this is a counteraction. She says she know you but she not give you no slang. She say you lick the pump from top to bottom. She tell Mikey one say your tongue too long. Long, long. I lick out pump and lick out bottom. You know.
History. All who say lock off, say lock off. Dappa say him no Susie Wang.
Knows if I sound near city, the selector is a brother with them. Yes, the girl, I'm talk about him so much, so him love to eat. The girl, them say him
play Susie Wang, though.
Then should I call him city teeth. Every girl in the city meet. The girl, them saying can't say him not do it because all the evidence is there for a year. I chop out some about 9 teeth. DJ, Clash Mikey one and see the city to get defeat. And some big bad double Jah Mikey wanna beat the seat. Play by champion King Sound called Jah Mikey one. Back up to the demons with Mike in her hand.
Listen.
I know those who want this is a counteraction. She says she know you but she not give you no slang. She say you lick the pump from top to bottom. She tell Mikey one say your tongue too long. Long, long. I lick out pump and lick out bottom. You not real. Jamaican city heat, we know that.
All who say dead. Me not want to play it again, but them want to hear it again.
You know, if I sound near city, the selector is a brother with them. Yes, the girl, I'm talk about him so much, so I'm love to eat.
You not do no bumbleclaw homework for me. You underestimate me. We are bad sound from Cali.
Every girl in the city meet. The girl them saying can't say him not do it because all the evidence is there for a year. I suppose some about 19. DJ, Clash Mikey wanna see the city to get defeat. And some big bad double Jah Mikey wanna beat the seat. Play by champion King Sound called Jah Mikey one. Pablo to the demons with Mike in her hand.
Look on Daddy Socks, I'm still a search, that Clash done.
I know those who want this is a counteraction. She says she know you but she not give you no slang. She say you lick the pump from top to bottom. She tell Mikey one say your tongue too long. Long, long. I lick out pump and lick out bottom. You not real. Jamaican city heat, we know that you are fake and fight girl put on it like a bacon. Jah Mikey one at the boom 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 number one. Boy better change your plan. Yes, change your plan. I be lost Junior Demos with Mikey now. And they have your name all about say you're the Yamatan. As a bow cat I say your name I mention. And I'm content, lick out bottom. City heat, you shoulda never Clash Mikey one. So me get me know say man that you are dead man.
Yo City, you fuck up, you know why?
You got to be crazy to test Jah Mikey one the champion sound. Hey, somebody must be crazy. Jah Mikey one put in that sound on the ground. After we took the risk of giving you one dub plate, some boy you rip and run off.
Yo Jason, I need a favor. I'm not from here. I said I was gonna move here, but can you do me one favor? Jason, one favor please.
Whoa, hey, call me some modern. Jah Mikey one kill something. Fasty them never want listen. Now them lay down in a coffin. Kill one yesterday, we kill one today. Champion Jah Mikey can call him Shaggy. Murder sound boy, I make them run away.
City, you're worthless. City, you are the la-la. You see we? You are the la-la.
Let me hear you say, oh, oh, oh. What a killer. Oh, what a killer. Jah Mikey wanna run the area. But let me hear you say, oh, oh, oh. Oh, what a killer.
Make we use one simple song and kill that pussy in the victory round and lock him off.
Pick up yourself, Mikey. Selassie. Who fight him with
that? Me have the rest of the night. Don't tell me five, me have 20.
Mikey one, Mikey one,
20 me have.
Jah Mikey one, tell me say one thing, Jah Mikey one him can't understand. Jah one thing, Jah Mikey one him can't understand. What make them a talk about him ambition? So what make them a talk about him ambition? He knows say some of them a ask him where him get it from. So them a ask him where him get it from. And to them no know it's from creation. But to them no know it's from creation. Bam bam.
Me are the youngest sound from City Heat, but me have to tell them how to play song. Me have beat the teach to push them in that final round.
Wait the town and tell the people how the musical is coming your way.
Shout out to Jah Mikey one, Rasta man son.
We not come here for say yes, me not come here for say no. And that's what we're there for.
Kill, kill, kill. test we and you dead now.
Dappa, me have the rest of the night. Me not stop playing till me don't feel like playing.
Jah Mikey one in the area. How fast the whole gets lost.
City, you must do better. You're not gonna rise if you play the same set of song every clash.
Murder again. Jah Mikey one him a go slew them. Boom. Trouble again. Tin pan dead in a clash. Boom.
Someone said you can't play little simple song. That's not true. You have to know how to play them simple pussy class song and represent your sound with energy and vibes.
Jah Mikey wanna go kill them now.
Him say me not have no vibes. Pussy are dead in your own yard. Right now, Dappa, no wait.
Jah Mikey wanna go kill them now. Before it get too late. And a lot of sound, yes, them walk on.
Your sound is worthless. You see my sound?
You are playing with a serious sound. Yes. Jah Mikey one will throw you down. Jah Mikey one is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Yes,
Jaja.
He's only in the Father. You know I put my chance.
That's your fault, Daddy Socks. You not put God first. You just try use God for a hype. You see you?
Sound, urban sound, California sound.
Me not cuss too much, but me feel like cuss right now.
Oh, bumbleclad. Jah Mikey wanna go kill off your rascal. Urban sound, California sound.
15 minutes.
Oh.
Easy, Jah Mikey. Don't know you have the arm, I know.
You have to do better if you want to represent Florida. Me just coming out your yard and kick out your teeth. Yo, Stroda, look on the pussy there.
Territory, Jah Mikey one international territory. Hey, territory, Jah Mikey.
Yo, I couldn't forward from Cali and not play my Cali artist. I'm sorry, Shiner, but me have to feature that song now. Dappa, me not stop play till me done.
Jah Mikey one sound would certainly chop you up.
Dappa, make me play. Me not done. Why rush it? Oh, want me play more songs? Say more. City, you're dead in your own yard.
I do not buy to big up Jah Mikey one.
You know why them dead? Them are this Rasta. You see them bad mind.
You stick around with vanity and no love for humanity, Chef.
Jah Mikey one. Our survives go on. And no. You relax yourself, man. When you say you go on with that thing, relax yourself. But me not. Patrick, you pussy. Me tell you, say somebody soon join your batty boy. And the bomber clot you rush me, so. Me tell you, say somebody soon join you. I boy, relax yourself. Patrick, you can't go on this. Waggy, you go beat him pussy all the morning. You know me I say now, man? This is it. We're voting. Third vote. All who say City E take that round, they push on in the air. I love that song, them. I don't care what you say. My song, that. Fuck off. You're biased. All who said Jah Mikey one win the round there, put your hand in the air. Hold on. All who rate Waggy T, wanna just say, Waggy, big up yourself, this ain't for you. Patrick, make room. Pussy, move over, no man. With the bomb, move over. Somebody are going out of coffin there.
People want to say, who fi go in that coffin? Want to say, who fi go in that coffin? All right. So if one gone in that coffin, one must get the trophy done. Dappa, present the trophy to the winner.
Well, on the low stay, South Florida this, we deal with reality. No matter where we come from. And tonight, champion, forward all the way from the West Coast. Big up, Jah Mikey One, the champion of the Coast to Coast Sound Clash. Jah Mikey One, yo. Everybody give Jah Mikey One a round of applause. And not only that, a lot of people in this business is sore losers. So we're going to give City Heat a round of applause also. Because City Heat do what they have to do. Try make it work. Justice. I'm Father Jason thing, but Daddy Sax, I want you to say a thing to the people them.
I never want a trophy anyway. That me a blood clot till they can't keep it. The one of me for me are bigger than this. Blood clot. Now, brother, I'm going to tell you something. Because, hey, no matter what happens, City Heat never lose no clash yet. Remember that blood clot here? Him just get lucky. Big up Daddy Sax for the entertainment. Jah Mikey One all the way from California. Talk to the people, my brother.
I feel like you're going to violate Patrick you into, you know, dog. All right, Sax, open the casket door. Patrick want to take a picture with you.
Jah Mikey One, sound of sounds, you mean Rasta man sound, Ganja man sound, California, you mean
play
champion
your picture
sound,
song, my brother.
Hey, Jah Mikey, let them know say who. Strictly rubber dubber, we are play. Give it to the dance all night and day. Music for you and yours. Jah Mikey One, how you mean? You know this a dance, you know this a sound clash, Jah Mikey One a bubble. Oh, Lord, put sound boy in a trouble. Victory, victory. Jah Mikey One, yes, a victory sound. Victory, oh victory, Jah Mikey One, yes I
yo, big up each and everyone in the place.
So many Southers and we bust them.
Big up City, man, all I respect his large.
Them to an early rest. We don't mean to brag and so we don't mean to boast.
Big up the whole of Florida, me love you straight.
Victory, victory. Jah Mikey One, yes a victory.
Big up City, big up Jason, he made this thing possible. Big up Daddy Sax. We have to keep Clash alive in Florida, so respect to each and everyone who forward to support that thing where we love. Roll it. We said fear. Big up City once again. Thanks for having me in your place.
Sound out there that want to be the winner. Jah Mikey One a killer. I know. I know. Jah Mikey One a winner.
Big up to all of Brooklyn, all of Florida.
I don't know. Jah Mikey One a real killer. I remember the dance of Jah Mikey One always. Murder sound boy, take them and throw them in the corner. I never would have thought big sound would hurt them so bad, but sound boy you must pay for all them idiot dubs that you been playing. I don't know. Jah Mikey One a winner.
every sound I go get killed today. When Jah Mikey one come out to play, dubs and specials going to your head. Jump and sound, tonight you will be dead.
Manifestation. Whoa, 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 my sound. Jah Mikey one champion sound. Just let the truth manifest itself. God's sound was made out of dubs. Forever be to your brother's true love. Cause respect is over Joe. But why should a sound boy be ungrateful? After all these dubs Jah Mikey one play, sound boys, you never gonna hear no sound as rough as Jah Mikey one.
Oh, Almighty I, a sound boy already died. Oh yes, oh Almighty I, a sound boy already died. Jah Mikey one use a dub and chop out him eye. Sound boy died. Oh Almighty high, a sound boy already died. Jah Mikey use a dub and chop out him eye. Sound boy died. Sound are changing every day. Jah Mikey one is here to stay. You know hear where the crowd are say. Jah Mikey one.
Hearts of fire ablaze. Sister Kalanji. I mean I say yes, just burn.
Jah love is the greatest of all.
Long live the king, you know. Light it.
Rastafari live, remember show and bread, always provide. The conquering lion protect my life. I never be afraid to shout to my voice. Rasta live, remember show and bread and always provide. Emperor Selassie, I protect my life. Never be afraid to shout out to my voice.
Well, and I give Jah the glory. I know in a them long story. John is holy habitation, meditating on his creation. I know the wicked and the evil will perish at the presence of Jah. And if you don't know the Father, then you're bound to suffer.
That's the living. Show and bread always provide. The conquering lion protect my life. I never be afraid to shout in my voice. Rastafari live, remember Jah ain't dying. Show and bread and always provide. The conquering lion protect my life. Selassie is God. Children, open your eyes.
I fear no other but the Almighty.
Your blessing is right there. Your blessing is right there.
When them a try after them can't study me, see. Almighty God guide and protect me.
Today is a bright day. Today is a bright day. Listen what I say. Rastafari live. Remember shocking the show and bread always provide. The conquering lion protect my life. Most high or shout in my voice.
Heal the king. Love, no? Honors. Respect. Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. Let the earth rejoice, multitudes be glad. Clouds and darkness surround him. Righteousness and justice is the foundations of his throne. A fire goes before him and burn all his enemies. Oh Jah, to whom
vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song. Oh Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song. His lightning lights the world, the earth sees and tremble, mountain men like what? Of the presence of Jah. He's the King of kings and the Lord of lords, the conquering lion. Oh Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song. Oh Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song.
Swing low, sweet chariot.
Robbers and thieves who they are. Rasta sip on my bar. Long time. If you don't know your history, you're bound to repeat its star. The truth will hurt. Amen, so let it be. This is not an offense. Please don't take it personally. Israel of yesterday is not the Israel of today. They're of no lineage. They're of no royalty. Shoes of yesterday is not the shoes of today. Pagans stolen our heritage to ensure their prosperity. Preaching about the Holocaust and not teaching about slavery. Telling how many they lost and not showing any bravery. I'd rather be executed than to live as a slave. So many we have lost along the way, with the ocean as their grave. Israel of yesterday is not the Israel of today. They're of no lineage, they're of no royalty. Shoes of yesterday is not the shoes of today. Pagans stolen our heritage to ensure their prosperity. No man can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me King Selassie dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can take them out of my head. No man, no man, no man, no man. Sure, flesh and gone, but the spirits live on. As I was smoking my sensi, meditating on the Almighty, then in a whirlwind, Marcus came blowing in to join me in a deep conversation. It's so sad to see Babylon kingdom and the downfall. Black man still don't know themselves. Now them back is against the wall. No man can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me King Selassie dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can take them out of my head. No man, no man, no man, no man. Their voices are louder today than how it was yesterday. Then I saw the rainbow, and I already know. He's the first blood Christ for the Moses, Prince Emmanuel, Melchizedek the seventh.